Environment and sustainable development. Assertion A. Sustainable development is important for well-being of human society. Reason R. Sustainable development is a kind of development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Answer both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Arrange the following event in chronological order and select the correct answer. तो आंसर है इसका पब्लिकेशन ऑफ लिमिट टू ग्रोथ रिपोर्ट सबसे पहले आई 1992 में, फिर आया आपका पब्लिकेशन ऑफ ब्रूटल लैंड कमीशन रिपोर्ट 1987, उसके बाद आपका आया एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल 1989 में, फिर रियो और समिट 1992 में आया. The discussion on sustainable development was started after submitting a report on environment to the United Nations 1987. That report was answer है our common future. Environment refers to answer है the natural world of land, water, air, plants and animals that exist around it. The sum total of conditions which surround human being at a given point of time. The interacting system of physical, non-biological and cultural elements which are interlinked. The following is not related to environmental protection. Answer poverty elevation. The Environment Protection Act of India was enacted in answer 1986. The Environment Protection Act for preservation and protection of the environment was passed by the government of India in answer 1996. Environment is a composite state of answer biotic factor, abiotic factors and physiographic factors. Generally, environment can be classified as many categories, among which the following is not a part of such category. Answer operational environment. Sustainable development is a matter of intergenerational sensibility in respect of the use of answer natural resources. Blue carbon is answer carbon captured by ocean and coastal ecosystems. Saving energy and other resources for the future without sacrificing people's comfort in the present is the definition of answer sustainable development. Natural resources should be used by the present generation in such a way that if there is minimum degradation of natural resources, then what kind of development would it be called? Answer is sustainable development. This sustainable development goal, SDG will target the water availability for all and its permanent management up to 2030 in India. Answer SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. List 1 and list 2 correctly match. List 1 sustainable development goal related with. तो सबसे पहले SDG 10 reduced inequalities. SDG 13 climate action. SDG 14 life below water. SDG 15 life on land. Among gender equality, zero hunger, space research, good health and well-being, the following is not a sustainable development goal targeted to be achieved by. Answer is space research. The decade of sustainable energy for all is the initiative of. Answer is United Nations. Nodal institution for implementation of sustainable development goal in India is. Answer is Niti Aayog. The World Environment Day is celebrated on. Answer is 5 June. The book Silent Spring, published in 1962, which sets the tone for an environmental movement in the world, was written by. Answer is Rachel Carson. A country's natural capital does not include the following. Answer is roads. The theme for World Environment Day 2022 is answer only one earth. The theme for World Environment Day 2023 is answer solution to plastic pollution. The main role of solar radiation is in answer water cycle. National Environment Engineering Research Institute NEERI was established in answer 1958 Nagpur. The following is important for sustainable development. Answer conservation of biological diversity, prevention and control of pollution, decreasing poverty. The common carbon metric supported by UNEP has been developed for answer assessing the carbon footprint of building operations around the world. The following is not the objective of smart city development. Answer is stabilizing quality of life. The title of the Rio 20 declaration was answer the future we want. The first Earth Summit was held at answer Rio de Janeiro. International conference held in Rio de Janeiro was answer United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. The thin layer of gases around the Earth is called answer atmosphere. Air is answer mixture. Percentage of nitrogen in dry air answer 78.08%. The following is considered to be the approximate optimum concentration of carbon dioxide for natural balance in atmosphere. Answer 0.03%. Among helium, argon, radon, and neon, the following noble gas is not present in the air. Answer radon. In the atmosphere, the highest percentage is of answer nitrogen. If all the plants and trees vanish from the earth, the gas which will decrease is answer oxygen. It is not a function of the tree. Answer air pollution. The following add carbon dioxide to the carbon cycle on earth. Answer respiration, decay of organic matter, volcanic action. The following does not add the carbon dioxide to carbon cycle on the planet earth. Answer photosynthesis. The concept of weathering relates to answer natural process leading to the decomposition of rocks. The headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is located at answer Geneva. The headquarters of United Nations Environment Program UNEP was located at answer Nairobi. The fourth session of UN Environment Assembly UNEA 4 was held in answer Nairobi, Kenya. EPA stands for answer Environment Protection Agency. Environmental Information System ENVIS Center on Population and Environments is located in the institute answer IIPS Mumbai. NEA stands for answer National Environment Authority. The headquarters of the Greenpeace International is located at answer Amsterdam. Ecomark is given to an Indian product which is answer environment friendly. To label environment friendly consumer products, the government has introduced answer Ecomark. According to Sustainable Development Goal SDG, India Index 2019 released by Niti Aayog state holds the first position is answer Kerala. Sustainable agriculture means answer to utilize land so that its quality remains intact. Among Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, the following state in India has recently introduced a greenhouse farming. Answer Punjab. Assertion A. Natural vegetation is true index of climate. Reason R. Water loving plants are found in a moist climate. Answer is both statement A are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Urbanization and industrialization are harmful for answer balanced development, environment and ecology, biodiversity conservation. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010 was enacted in consonance with the following provision of the Constitution of India. Answer is right to a healthy environment, constituted as a part of right to life under Article 21. The National Green Tribunal NGT came into force in answer October 2010. The National Green Tribunal NGT came into force in answer October 2010. National Green Tribunal NGT was established by the Government of India in answer 2010. The author of green development is answer W.M. Adams. Rio plus 20 conference often mentioned in the news because answer it is United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. In the 1997, the World Environment Conference was organized in answer Kyoto. The Earth Summit plus 5 was held in. Answer 1997. The following statement is correct. Answer: the Sustainable Development Goal have been achieved by 2030. Who has propounded the concept of limits to growth? Answer: Club of Rome. Exception A. There is a positive relation between Human Development Index and Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) ranking of Indian states. Reason are: the underlying dimension of SDG targets are closely related to education and health aspects. Answer: both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. With reference to the Global Alliance for Climate Smart Agriculture (GACSA), the following statement is correct. Answer: membership of GACSA does not create any binding obligations. The Partnership for Action on Green Economy page, UN mechanism to assist countries transition towards a greener and more inclusive economies, emerged at. Answer: the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development 2012, Rio de Janeiro. With reference to Agenda 21, sometimes seen in the news, the following statement is correct. Answer: it is a global action plan for sustainable development. The Agenda 21 of Rio Summit 1992 is related to. Answer: sustainable development. Many transplanted seedlings do not grow because most of the root hairs are lost during transplantation. Environmental degradation means. Answer: overall degradation of environmental attributes, adverse changes brought in by human activities, ecological imbalances because of ecological diversity. The following is related to protection of ecological balance. Answer: Forest Policy, Environment Protection Act, Industrial Policy, Education Policy. Concerning Global Environment Facility, the following statement is correct. Answer: it serves as the financial mechanism for Convention on Biological Diversity and United Nations Framework's Convention on Climate Change. Plachimada, which has been seen in the news for immense damage to its environment, lies in. Answer: Kerala. Environment Protection Act, EPA, is also known as. Answer: umbrella legislation. The Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is constituted under the. Answer: Environment Protection Act 1986. Central Groundwater Authority is constituted under. Answer: Environment Protection Act 1986. With reference to the circumstances in Indian agriculture, the concept of conservation agriculture assumes significance. The following facts fall under conservation agriculture. Answer: adopting minimum tillage, using crop residue to cover the soil surface, adopting spatial and temporal crop sequencing or crop rotation. As a result of their annual survey, the National Geographic Society and an international polling firm Global Scan give India top rank in Green Index 2009 score. This score is. Answer: a measure of environmentally sustainable consumer behavior in different countries. The best strategies for environment-friendly sustainable development in Indian agriculture is. Answer: mixed cropping, organic manures, nitrogen-fixing plants, and pest-resistant crop variety. Section A. India is a case of an over-urbanized country. ये गलत है. Reason are most of large country. ये गलत है. Reason are most of large cities. Section A. India is a case of an over-urbanized country. ये गलत है. Reason are most of large cities in India do not have adequate infrastructure. ये सही है. A is false but R is true. The investigator of natural farming was. Answer: Masanobu Fukuoka. The term greenwashing is best described by. Answer: conveying a false impression that a company's products are eco-friendly and environmentally sound. The Green Army for Environment Conservation was introduced by this country. Answer: Australia. During the mid-80s decade of 20th century, the negative aspect of development were discussed at large, among which the following was not such important. Answer: politics and development. Assertion A. Population control is necessary to maintain the environment of the country. Reason are: due to rapid increase in population, the environmental balance is maintained. Answer: A is true but R is false. Consider the following statement about sustainable development and select correct answer. Based on the global indicator framework and data produced by National Statistical System and information collected at regional level, the United Nations Secretary General presents an annual Sustainable Development Goal report. Second, Global Sustainable Development Report is produced to inform the quadrennial Sustainable Development Goal Review deliberation at the UN General Assembly once every 4 years. Both 1 and 2 are correct. अब अगला पढ़ते हैं इकोलॉजी. Ecology is the study of relationship between. Answer: organism and environment. The term ecosystem was proposed by. Answer: A.G. Tansley. The following statement is not true about the ecosystem. Answer: it is a closed system. The following 4 components constitute an ecosystem. Answer: aquatic minerals, producers, consumer, decomposers. The best description of the term ecosystem is. Answer: a community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. The best description of the term ecosystem is. Answer: a community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. It is an artificial ecosystem. Answer: a rice field. The number of organisms that can be supported by the environment in a given area is known as. Answer: carrying capacity. The following term describes not only the physical space occupied by an organism but also functional role in the community of organisms. Answer: ecological niche. The actual location or place where an organism lives is called. Answer: habitat. The following ecosystem covers the largest area of the Earth's surface. Answer: marine ecosystem. The following is the largest ecosystem of the world. Answer: ocean. Among cutting forest, afforestation, rainwater management, and biosphere reserve, the following does not help to maintain ecological balance. Answer: cutting forest. The main causes of ecological imbalance in India is. Answer: deforestation. Among lumbering, social forestry, one Mahotsav, and deforestation, the following act disturbs the ecological balance. Answer: lumbering. The highest trophic level in an ecosystem is obtained by. Answer: omnivores. Trophic levels are formed by. Answer: organisms linked in food chain. Among air, plant, bacteria, and animal, the following is not a biotic component of an ecosystem. Answer: air. The primary source of energy in an ecosystem is. Answer: solar energy. Concerning the food chain in ecosystem, the following kinds of an organism is known as decomposer organisms. Answer: fungi, bacteria. Among ants, deer, fox, and tiger, the following are the primary consumer in an ecosystem. Answer: ants, deer. In a food chain, man is. Answer: primary as well as secondary consumer. 10% law is related with. Answer: transfer of energy in a food chain from one trophic level to another. In the marine environment, the main primary producer are. Answer: in the marine environment, the main primary producer are. Answer: phytoplanktons. Among the biotic component of the ecosystem, the producer are. Answer: green plants. Trophic level 1 includes. Answer: green plants producer. It is true about ecosystem. Answer: producers are more than primary consumers. The following pair is correctly matched. Answer: green plants producer of an ecosystem. The correct order in the food chain of the various components of a terrestrial grass ecosystem is. Answer: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake. The following component constitutes our food chain. Answer: grass, goat, human. The pyramid of energy in an ecosystem is. Answer: always upright. Biomass pyramid is inverted in such type of ecosystem. Answer: pond, marine, aquatic. Among grasshopper, toad, snake, and cattle, the following organism is likely to show the highest concentration of DDT once it has been introduced into the ecosystem. Answer: snake. The amount of energy during the transfer from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem. Answer: decreases. The following tree is considered to be an environmental hazard. Answer है eucalyptus. Among eucalyptus, banana, neem and babool, the following tree is dangerous for environment. Answer है eucalyptus. The example of lentic habitat in the freshwater community is answer है ponds and swamps. The transitional zone between two distinct communities is known as answer है ecotone. Most stable ecosystem is answer है ocean or marine. Among grassland, cropland and rainforest, the following is an example of anthropogenic biome. Answer है cropland. The following statements are correct. Answer है most of the world's coral reefs are in tropical waters. More than 1/3 of the world's coral reefs are located in the territories of Australia, Indonesia and the Philippines. Coral reefs host far more number of animal phyla than those hosted by tropical rainforest. Among hydrosphere, biome, lithosphere and biosphere, the following is the largest ecosystem of the earth. Among hydrosphere, biome, lithosphere and biosphere, the following is the largest ecosystem of the earth. Answer है biosphere. The cycling of element in an ecosystem is called answer है biogeochemical cycles. In case of following biogeochemical cycles, the weathering of rocks is the main source of release of nutrient to enter the cycle. Answer है phosphorus cycle. The movement of nutrient elements through various components of an ecosystem is called answer biogeochemical cycle. It is not related to ecological balance. Answer industrial management. Ecology is a permanent economy is the slogan of this movement. Answer Chipko movement. Chipko movement is related to answer plant conservation. The following statement relating to an ecosystem are correct. Answer the term ecosystem was first used by A.J. Tansley. Those organisms which produce their food themselves are termed as autotrophs. The following is the correct sequence of an ecosystem in the order of decreasing productivity. Answer mangroves, grassland, lakes, oceans. The concerning food chain in ecosystem, the following statement is correct. Answer a food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feeds upon each other. The following statement is correct. Answer the energy flow in biospheric ecosystem is unidirectional. The term deep ecology for the first time was used by answer Arne Naes. The concept of the ecological niche was enunciated by answer Grinnell. The measurement unit of the ecological footprint is answer global hectares. The minimum area of the land required to completely sustain the life of the person is called his answer ecological footprint. The following statements best describe the term social cost of carbon. Answer it is a measure in monetary value of the long-term damage done by a ton of CO2 emission in a given year. The following list of ecological concerns and the year in which acts were executed in India is correctly matched. Ecological concern or year act was passed. Answer है Wildlife Protection 1972, Environment Protection 1986, the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Act 2006, the Forest Conservation Act 1980. The following statements are correct. Answer है the Millennium Ecosystem Assessment describes the following major categories of ecosystem services provisioning, supporting, regulating, preserving and cultural, nutrient cycling, crop pollination, soil formation and retention etc. for supporting services. The following is the correct sequence of a food chain. Answer है diatoms, crustaceans, herrings. The following statements are true about bioeconomics. Answer it is synonymous with ecology. It stresses the value of natural systems which influence human systems. Among ecocline, halocline, pycnoline and thermocline, the following shows the density gradient of the water system. Answer है pycnocline. Desert dwelling animals are called. Answer है xerocoel animal. Desert dwelling animals are called. Answer है xerocoel animals. In the context of ecosystem productivity, marine upwelling zones are important as they increase the marine productivity by bringing the answer nutrient to the surface. Concerning eco-sensitive zones, following of the statements are correct. Eco-sensitive zones are the area that are declared under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. ये भी गलत है. The purpose of the declaration of eco-sensitive zones is to prohibit all kind of human activities in those zones except agriculture. ये भी गलत है. Answer है neither one nor two. फिर assertion A, various components of an ecosystem are not interdependent. ये गलत है. Reason R, human activities have the impact on the environment. ये सही है. A is false but R is true. In the grassland, trees do not replace the grasses as a part of an ecological succession because of answer water limits and fire. The concept of ecological transition was first used by answer Bennett. The entire sequence of communities that successively changes in a particular area are called answer Sire. The following is the correct sequence of the phase of biotic succession. Answer nudation, migration, successes, reaction, stabilization. The correct order of biological organization ranging from organisms to biosphere is answer population, community, ecosystem, landscape. The following statements about ecosystem are correct. Answer the production at the autotroph level is said to be primary productivity. The secondary productivity refers to the production at the heterotroph level. With reference to ecological niche, the following statements are correct. Answer it represents the range of conditions that it can tolerate the resources it utilizes and its functional role in ecological system. Each species has a distinct niche. The following is not subcategory of terrestrial ecosystem. Answer marine ecosystem. Example of floating ecosystem is answer reverse. अब इसके बाद हम देखते हैं बायोडाइवर्सिटी. Biodiversity is described as answer the range of different species in an environment. Biodiversity means answer different kinds of plants and animals in a particular area. The most significant aspect of biodiversity is answer maintenance of ecosystem. The destruction of biodiversity is due to answer lack of natural habitats of the organism, environmental pollution or destruction of forests. Among biosphere reserves, botanical garden, national park, the following is not an example of in situ conservation strategy. Answer botanical garden. The main reason for the decrease in biodiversity is answer natural habitat destruction. Biodiversity has maximum danger from answer destruction of natural habitats and vegetation. Among destruction of natural habitats, pest control, genetic assimilation and control of predators, the following factor is the most important factor for the loss of biodiversity. Answer destruction of natural habitat. Government of India in collaboration with Norwegian government has established a Center for Biodiversity Policy and Law at answer Chennai. International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated on answer 22 May. Assertion A. Phytoplankton grow in abundance in the limnatic zone. Reason R. Limnatic zone is open water zone. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. The following can be threat to the biodiversity of geographical area. Answer global warming, fragmentation of habitat, invasion of alien species. The following activity strongly threatens biodiversity. Answer destruction of natural habitats and vegetation and zoom cultivation. Consider following regions. तो पहला है ईस्टर्न हिमालयस, ठीक, दूसरा है ईस्टर्न मेडिटेरियन रीजन, तीसरा है नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियन. तो इसमें से कौन सा बायोडाइवर्सिटी हॉटस्पॉट है? तो आंसर है वन ओनली, ईस्टर्न हिमालयस है. और कौन सा है? फिर आपका मेडिटेरियन बेसिन है, ठीक, और फिर साउथ वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया है. द हॉटस्पॉट ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया आर Eastern Himalaya, part of Himalaya hotspot. Western Ghats, part of Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. Most northeastern India and Andaman group of island, part of Indo-Burma, Indo-Myanmar hotspots. And Nicobar group of island, part of Sundaland hotspots. The tallest known living tree is answer is sequoia. A species is considered to be extinct if it has not been seen in its natural habitat for answer 50 years. Among broad niche, large body size, narrow niche, and lack of genetic variability, the following is not responsible for the extinction of a species. Answer broad niche. India aims to achieve land degradation neutrality by the year. Answer 2030. The Red Data Book, published by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources (IUCN), contains list of threatened species of answer threatened plants, animals, fungi, and protista. Organization related to Red Data Book or Red List is answer IUCN. Red Data Book is published by answer IUCN. Enlarged species are listed in answer Red Data Book. Red Data Book is concerned with answer organisms facing the danger of extinction. The following group of animals belong to the category of endangered species. Answer red Indian bustard, musk deer, red panda, and Asiatic wild ass. The following Indian bird is a highly endangered species. Answer great Indian bustard. Which one of the following is correctly matched? So answer golden langur endangered, Asiatic wild dog endangered, or Chinese mountain cat vulnerable. While India's human population is growing at an outstanding pace, the bird population is shrinking fastly mainly because answer there has been a large-scale reduction in the habitats of the birds. There has been a large-scale use of pesticides, chemical fertilizer, and mosquito repellents. The following is not a reason for the loss of biodiversity in Uttarakhand. Answer afforestation of barren land. The following statement about Sikkim are true. Answer it became an integral part of India in 1975. It is considered as botanist paradise. Its population is mainly made up of the lepacs. The most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with additional human life in the establishment of answer biosphere reserves. The following is not a site for an in situ method of the conservation of flora. Answer a botanical garden. The gas commonly used in the cryobank for ex situ conservation. Answer nitrogen. The maximum biodiversity is found in answer tropical rainforest. In the following ecosystem, the species diversity is relatively higher. Answer tropical rainforest and coral reefs. First National Centre for Marine Biodiversity (NCMB) of India is situated at answer Jamnagar. Maximum plant diversity is found in answer tropical green forest, evergreen forest. The greatest diversity of animal and plant species occur in answer tropical moist forest. The following ecosystem has maximum plant biomass. Answer tropical rainforest. Biodiversity changes occur. Answer increase towards the equator. Among Silent Valley, Kashmir Valley, Valley of Flowers, and Surma Valley, the richest biodiversity is found in the answer Silent Valley. Silent Valley is located in answer Kerala. The following states is related to Silent Valley project. Answer Kerala. Valley of Flowers is situated in answer Uttarakhand. Point Calamar Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary is situated in answer Tamil Nadu. Which of the following wetlands are designated as Ramsar sites? Answer Chilika Lake, Koiledo, Vula Lake, Loktak Lake. सारे सही है. As of November 2022, India has 75 Ramsar sites under Ramsar Convention. Ashtumudi Wetland, Kerala में, Bitakanika Mangroves, Odisha, Bhoj Wetland, Madhya Pradesh, Chandratal Wetlands, Himachal Pradesh, Chilika Lake, Odisha, Depok Bale, Assam, East Kolkata Wetlands, West Bengal, Harika Lake, Punjab, Hokera Wetland, Jammu and Kashmir, Kanjli Lake, Punjab, Keolodiyo National Park, Rajasthan, Koleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh, Loktak Lake, Manipur, Nalsarvor Bird Sanctuary, Gujarat, Point Calamar Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Pong Dam Lake, Himachal Pradesh, Renuka Wetland, Himachal Pradesh, Rokkar Lake, Himachal Pradesh, Rudrasagar Lake, Tripura, Sambar Lake, Rajasthan, Sastam Kota Lake, Kerala, Sundarban Wetland, West Bengal, Surinsar Mansar Lake, Jammu and Kashmir, Taso Miriri Lake, Ladakh, Upper Ganga River, Bridge Ghat to Naroda Stretch, Uttar Pradesh, Vempanad Coal Wetland, Kerala, Wular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir, Koishapur Mayani Community Reserve, Punjab, Beas Conservation Reserve, Punjab, Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary, Punjab, Nandur Mandeshwar, Maharashtra, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh, Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh, Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh, Sarsai Nahor Jheel, Uttar Pradesh, Sandi Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh, Saman Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh, Asan Conservation Reserve, Uttarakhand, Kabartal Wetland, Bihar, Lunar Lake, Maharashtra, Sur Sarovar, UP, Tasokar Wetland Complex, Ladakh, Vardwana Wetland, Gujarat, Thol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary, Gujarat, Bindwas Wildlife Sanctuary, Haryana, Sultanpur National Park, Haryana, Haidarpur Wetland, UP, Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary, UP, Shijatiya Wildlife Sanctuary, Gujarat, Nanda Lake, Goa, Haigam Wetland Conservation Reserve, Jammu and Kashmir, Salbog Wetland Conservation Reserve Chain, Nanda Lake, Goa, Haigam Wetland Conservation Reserve, Jammu and Kashmir, Salbog Wetland Conservation Reserve Chain, Ranganath 2 Bird Sanctuary, Karnataka, Sakya Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, Sherpur Wetland, MP, Yashwant Sagar, MP, Thane Creek, Maharashtra, Pala Wetland, Mizoram, Ansupa Lake, Odisha, Hirakud Reservoir, Odisha, Satkoshia George, Odisha, Tampara Lake, Odisha, Chitrangudi Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Gulf of Mannar Marine Biosphere Reserve, Tamil Nadu, Kanjirankulam Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Karikalli Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Kunthakulam Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Palikarnai Marsh Reserve Forest, Tamil Nadu, Pechoram Mangrove, Tamil Nadu, Suchindram Terror Wetland Complex, Tamil Nadu, Uddamtapuram Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Vajavur Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Vedanthagal Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Velod Bird Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu, Vembanur Wetland Complex, Tamil Nadu. The Ramsar Convention was associated with the conservation of answer wetlands. Bihar's first Ramsar site is located in Ansar Begusarai. Ramsar Convention is related to answer wetland conservation. With preference to Parvati Agra Ramsar site, the following statements are correct. Answer it is situated in Gonda district of Uttar Pradesh. It is a bird sanctuary. World Wetland Day is observed on Ansar 2nd February. Biosphere reserves are areas for conservation of answer genetic variation. Cartagena Protocol is related to answer biosafety agreement. Sambar Lake, Rajasthan, the largest inland saline wetland of India. Factor of coral bleaching is answer rise in normal temperature of seawater. The following is the most effective factor of coral bleaching is answer rise in normal temperature of seawater. The following is the most significant factor in coral bleaching is answer global warming. Which of the following has coral reef? Answer Andaman and Nicobar Island, Gulf of Kutch और Gulf of Mannar. सुंदरबन में नहीं है. Among C.J. Barrow, D. Carter, Walter G. Rosen, and D.R. Batish, and the term biodiversity for the first time used by answer Walter G. Rosen. Biodiversity forms the basis for human existence in the following ways: answer soil formation, prevention of soil erosion, recycling of waste, pollination of crops. United Nations organization has declared decade 2011 to 20 as answer United Nations decade on biodiversity. The following is not responsible for the increase in the biodiversity of an ecosystem. Answer less number of trophic levels. The Himalayan range is very rich in species diversity. The most appropriate reason for this phenomenon is answer it is a confluence of different biogeographical zones. The Biodiversity Act was passed by Lok Sabha on 2nd December 2002 and by Rajya Sabha on answer 11 December 2002. National Biodiversity Authority of India was established in answer 2003 in Chennai. The following statement about National Biodiversity Authority role in protecting Indian agriculture are correct. Answer NBA checks the biopiracy and protect indigenous and traditional genetic resources. Application for intellectual property rights related to genetic or biological resources cannot be made without the approval of the NBA. Sea buckthorn has a huge global market potential. The berries of this plant are rich in vitamins and nutrients. Genghis Khan used them to improve the stamina of his troops. Russian cosmonauts used its oil to combat radiation. In India, this plant is found in Ansar Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. The government of India encourages the cultivation of sea buckthorn. The importance of this plant is Ansar it helps in controlling soil erosion and preventing desertification. It has nutritional value and is well adapted to grow in cold area of high altitudes. If rainforest and tropical forest are the lung of the earth, then surely wetlands functions as its kidneys. The following function of wetland best reflects the above statement. Answer aquatic plant absorb heavy metal and excess nutrients. Assertion A. The biosphere is an example of an open system. Reason R. There cannot be reinvestment of a new substance in the biosphere, but there is no restriction on the investment and exit of energy. A is true, but R is false. Recently, the following drug has been reported as responsible for vulture death. Answer diclofenac sodium. The most important factor contributing to the loss of the vulture population in India is answer administration of painkiller diclofenac to cattle. Vulture, which used to be very common in the Indian countryside some year ago, are rarely seen nowadays. This is attributed to answer drug diclofenac used by cattle owners for treating their diseased cattle. A tree species in Mauritius failed to reproduce because of the extinction of a fruit-eating bird. That bird was answer dodo. The following pairs are correctly matched. Answer A. Wildlife naturally found in blue finned mesh seal, Kaveri River. Rusty spotted cat, Eastern Ghats. Due to some reasons, if there is a huge fall in the population of species of butterflies, the following could be its likely consequences. Answer A. Pollination of some plants could be adversely affected. It could lead to a fall in the population of some species of webs, spiders and birds. In the context of Indian wildlife, the flying fox, Petropus giganteus, is a answer A. bat. The marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinction, is a answer A. mammal. Concerning dugong, a mammal found in India, the following statements are correct. Answer A. It is a herbivorous marine animal. It is a given legal protection under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The following three criteria have contributed to the recognition of Western Ghats, Sri Lanka and Indo-Burman regions as the hotspot of biodiversity. Answer A. Species richness, endemism or threat perception. Assertion A. Answer A. Maximum number of species of butterflies are found in tropical countries. Reason R. Butterflies cannot tolerate low temperature. Answer A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Concerning an organization known as the BirdLife International, the following statements are correct. Answer A. It is a global partnership of conservation organization. It identifies the sites referred to as an important bird and biodiversity areas. The following statement is correct. Answer A. The Biosafety Protocol deals with genetically modified organisms. The following Union Ministry implements the Cartagena Protocol on biosafety. Answer Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. A sandy and saline area is the natural habitat of an Indian animal species. The animal has no predator in that area, but its existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat. The following could be that animal. Answer Indian wildlife. The 10th conference of the Parties of the United Nations Conference on Biological Diversity was held at answer in Nagoya, Japan. From 5 to 17 December 2022. COP15 was held in answer in Montreal, Canada. Proper design and effective implementation of UN REDD Plus program can significantly contribute to answer protection of biodiversity, resilience of forest ecosystem, poverty reduction. REDD stands for reducing emission from deforestation and forest degradation. Two important rivers, one with its source in Jharkhand and known by a different name in Odisha, and another with its source in Odisha, merge at a place only a short distance from the coast of Bay of Bengal before falling into the sea. This is an important site of wildlife and biodiversity and a protected area. The following one could be this. Answer A. Bhitarkanika. Among different mathematical indices for measuring biodiversity, the following one shows the mean species diversity in an habitat at a local scale. Answer Alpha Diversity Index. Concerning the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources (IUCN) and the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora sites, the following statements are correct. Answer IUCN runs thousands of field projects around the world to better manage the natural environment. Sites is legally binding on the state that have joined it, but this convention does not take the place of national laws. With reference to an initiative called the Economics of Ecosystem Biodiversity TAPE, the following statements are correct. Answer it is a global initiative that focuses on drawing attention to the economic benefits of biodiversity. It presents an approach that can help decision makers recognize, demonstrate, and capture the value of ecosystem biodiversity. In the following states, long-tailed macaw is found in its natural habitat. Answer Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. These animals are naturally found in India. Answer black-necked crane, flying squirrel, snow leopard. With reference to India's biodiversity, salon, frogmouth, coppersmith barbet, grey-chinned minivet, and and white-throated red stars are answer birds. Among bats, bears, and rodents, the phenomenon of hibernation can be observed in answer all of these. The following statements are correct. Answer biodiversity is normally greater in the lower latitudes as compared to the higher latitudes. Along the mountain gradients, biodiversity is normally greater in the lower latitudes as compared to higher latitudes. The following statement is correct. Answer saltwater crocodile is found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The following statement is correct. Answer in India's loris lives in the dense forest of northeast. Concerning a conservation organization called Wetlands International, the following statement is correct. Answer it works at the ground level to develop and mobilize knowledge and use the practical experience to advocate for better policies. India is a party to the Ramsar Convention and has declared many areas as Ramsar sites. The following statement best describes as to how we should maintain these sites in the context of this conservation. Conserve all the sites through ecosystem approach and allow their simultaneously sustainable use. If a wetland of international importance is brought under the Montreux Accord, what does it imply? Answer A. Changes in ecological character have occurred, are occurring, or are likely to occur in the wetland as a result of human interference. And as an ecosystem, wetlands are useful. Answer A. For nutrient recovery and cycling. for releasing heavy metals through absorption by plants, in reducing situation of rivers by retaining sediments. Concerning the wetlands of India, the following statement is correct. Answer is the country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. The following statement is correct. Answer is the Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2010 also encompass the drainage area or catchment region of the wetland as determined by the authority. The annual production of biomass is minimal in which of the following environments? Answer is deep sea. The author of tomorrow's biodiversity is answer is Vandana Shiva. The following international agreements has or had been a bearing on the biodiversity. Answer is the International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture, the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, the World Heritage Convention. Greenhouse effect. The main reason of climate change is answer greenhouse gases, depletion of the ozone layer, pollution. 21st United Nations Climate Change Conference held in the year 2015 in answer Paris, France. In the year 2021, the 26th UNCCC COP26 United Nations Climate Change Conference COP26 was held in answer Glasgow, UK. The global average temperature risen in the last century about answer 1.8 Fahrenheit. United Nations Climate Action Summit 2019 was held at answer New York. Greenhouse effect is the process answer of heating the atmosphere by absorption of infrared radiation by the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Greenhouse effect is answer increase in global temperature. Greenhouse effect means answer increase in atmospheric temperature due to the concentration of greenhouse gases at the atmosphere, or increase in temperature of Earth due to concentration of gases in atmosphere. The concept of greenhouse gases was postulated by answer Joseph Fourier. Kyoto Protocol is related to answer climate change. The following statements are correct. Answer Kyoto Protocol came into force in year 2005. Methane as a greenhouse gas is more harmful than carbon dioxide. The following are correctly matched. Cartagena Protocol biosafety, Stockholm Convention pollutant, persistent organic, Montreal Protocol ozone layer, Kyoto Protocol climate change. Greenhouse effect is enhanced in the environment due to answer greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and chlorofluorous carbon. Among Thailand, China, Singapore and Malaysia, the following country has announced to impose carbon tax from 2019 to cut its greenhouse gas emission. Answer Singapore. Among CO2, CH4, NO2 and O2, the following gas is not a greenhouse gas. Answer O2. Among oxygen, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons and methane, the following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer oxygen. The main component of greenhouse gases are answer carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. The following gas has highest contribution in global warming. Answer carbon dioxide. Among carbon dioxide, methane, ozone and water vapor, the following naturally occurring greenhouse gases causes the highest percentage of the greenhouse effect. Answer water vapor. The following gases are most important for the greenhouse effect. Answer carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor. The following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer propane. Among chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, argon and methane, the following gas is not responsible for global warming. Answer argon. The following statement regarding the emission reduction purchase agreement signed with the World Bank in May 2011 is not correct. Answer the agreement has been signed between the World Bank and Government of India. Not correct. With reference to net zero goal for 2050, the following statement is correct. Answer it means that countries' emission will be compensated by absorption and removal of greenhouse gases for the atmosphere. The following gases are both harmful and beneficial to life on Earth. Answer carbon dioxide. Today, the largest contributor of carbon dioxide emission is answer China. The following country is known as carbon negative country in the world. Answer Bhutan. The following substances does not contribute to global warming directly. Answer oxides of sulfur. The following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer sulfur dioxide. The following gases are responsible for global warming. Answer carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, CFCs, etc. The following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer hydrogen, ozone. The following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer nitrogen, sulfur dioxide. Among nitrogen, methane, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, the following gases is most responsible for global warming is answer carbon dioxide. The total amount of greenhouse gases produced to directly and indirectly support human activities is referred to as answer carbon footprint. The following is not correctly matched. Answer greenhouse gas source chlorofluorocarbon, automobile. Among methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon and hydrogen, the following is not a greenhouse gas. Answer hydrogen. As a result of global warming, there has been answer melting of glaciers, flowering of mango trees before times, adverse impact on health. The following are the impact of global warming. Answer rise in sea level, melting of glaciers, spread of diseases, bleaching of coral reefs. The following condition indicate the impact of global warming. Answer melting of glaciers, rise in sea level. Changes in weather conditions, rise in global temperature. Global warming is caused due to the emission of answer carbon dioxide. The apprehension of global warming is aggravated by increased concentration of in the atmosphere answer carbon dioxide. Global warming is due to answer increase in carbon dioxide. The following crop is most important anthropogenic source of both methane and nitrous oxide. Answer rice. The following is the most fragile ecosystem that will be the first affected by global warming. Answer the Arctic and Greenland ice sheet. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs answer the infrared part of the solar radiation. The source of methane gas, a major greenhouse gas, are answer rice fields, coal mining, domestic animals, wetlands, termite. Most important gas which is produced by paddy fields and is involved in the global warming is answer methane. Most important gas which is emitted in the paddy fields and increase Earth's temperature is answer methane. The following gases are released into the atmosphere due to burning of crop or biomass residue. Answer carbon monoxide, methane, ozone, sulfur dioxide. Methane is emitted from paddy field and termite. The following human activity is most affected by climate. Answer farming. The greenhouse gas liberated by cut-chewing animals is answer methane. The following statement regarding Earth Hour are correct. Answer it is a movement in which the participants switch off the lights for 1 hour on a certain day every year. It is a movement to raise awareness about climate change and the need to save the planet. With reference to the New York Declaration of Forests, the following statements are correct. Answer it was with reference to the New York Declaration of Forests, the following statements are correct. Answer it was the first endorsed at the United Nations Climate Summit in 2014. Not endorsed by India. It is endorsed by government, by companies and indigenous communities. It endorses a global timeline. It endorses a global timeline to end the loss of forest. It is not legally binding international declaration. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) ratified by 198 countries become effective on answer at 21st March 1994. The place of India among 58 countries of the world as per 2017 Climate Change Performance Index (CCPI) published by German Watch is answer at 20th. India's first national action plan on climate change released in answer at 2008. Assertion A: climate change is leading to an increase in social tension in India. Reason R: the frequency and intensity of the extreme weather events will have serious repercussion on food security. Answer both A and R are true, and R is the correct reason of A. Greenhouse gas protocol is answer an international accounting tool for government and business leaders to understand, quantify, and manage greenhouse gas emission. The following statements are correct. Answer: Kyoto Protocol came into force in the year 2005. Kyoto Protocol primarily deals with reducing overall greenhouse emission. With reference to the agreement at the UNFCCC meeting in Paris in 2015, the following statement is correct. Answer: the agreement aims to limit the greenhouse gas emissions so that the rise in average global temperature by the end of this century does not exceed 2 degrees Celsius or 1.5 degrees Celsius above industrial level. In the context of India's preparation for climate smart agriculture, the following statements are correct. Answer: the climate smart village approach in India is a part of a project led by Climate Change, Agriculture and Food Security (CCAFS) and International Research Program. The project of CCAFS is carried out under consultative group on international agriculture research (CCIAR) headquartered in France. The International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics (ICRISAT) in India is one of the CCIAR's research centers. Among Algeria, Brazil, Kenya, and India, the following country does not have a global atmosphere war station to collect data on world temperatures. Answer: India. The following statement is not true about CDM. Not true. It prohibits developed countries from investing in projects in developing countries. In the context of CO2 emissions and global warming, the name of a market-driven device under UNFCCC that allows developing countries to get funds or incentives from the developed countries to adopt better technologies that reduce greenhouse gas emission is answer: Clean Development Mechanism. The following statement is correct. Answer: Clean Development Mechanism in respect of carbon credit is one of the Kyoto Protocol mechanisms. The following is not true for India to combat the adverse impact of climate change. Answer: not attended the 19th meeting basic at Sun City, South Africa had recently. The following is not correctly matched. Answer: Carbon Trading Montreal Protocol. Statement 1. The United Nations Capital Development Fund UNCDF and Arbor Day Foundation have recently recognized Hyderabad as 2023 City of the World. Statement 2. Hyderabad was selected for the recognition for a year following its commitment to grow and maintain the urban forest. Answer: Statement 1 is not correct, but Statement 2 is correct. The following pair is correctly matched. Terms sometimes seen in the news, their origin. Clean Development Mechanism. Answer: Kyoto Protocol. In the context of mitigation the impending global warming due to anthropogenic emission of carbon dioxide, the following can be the potential sites for carbon sequestration. Answer: abundant and uneconomic coal seams, depleted oil and gas reservoirs, subterranean deep saline formations. In rural road construction, the use of the following is preferred for ensuring environmental sustainability or to reduce carbon footprint. Answer: copper slag, cold mixed asphalt technology, or geotextiles. The following statement describes carbon fertilization. Answer: increased plant growth due to increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Regarding carbon credits, the following statement is not correct. Answer: carbon credits are traded at a price fixed from time to time by the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP). The concept of carbon credit originated from Answer: Kyoto Protocol. Biocarbon Fund Initiative for Sustainable Forest Landscape is managed by the Answer: World Bank. The following statement is correct. Answer: the CCAC focuses on methane, black carbon, and hydrocarbons. Concerning Forest Carbon Partnership Facility, the following statements are correct. Answer: it is a global partnership of governments, business, civil society, and indigenous people. It assists the countries in the REDD+, reducing emission for deforestation, forest degradation plus efforts by providing them with financial and technical assistance. The scientific view is that the increase in global temperature should not exceed 2 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial level. If the global temperature increases beyond 3 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial level, it is impossible impacts on the world can be. Answer: terrestrial biosphere tends toward a net carbon source. Widespread coral mortality will occur. Without greenhouse effect, the average temperature of Earth's surface would be Answer: minus 18 degrees Celsius. Human activities in the recent past have caused the increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but a lot of it does not remain in the lower atmosphere because of Answer: the photosynthesis by phytoplankton in the oceans. If phytoplankton of an ocean is completely destroyed for some reason, then Answer: the ocean as a carbon sink would be adversely affected. The food chain in the ocean would be adversely affected. The following is not related to the astronomical theories of climate change. Answer: solar irradiance. The shifting Earth on its axis is one of the factors responsible for climate change, was suggested by Answer: Milankovic. The following are the primary cause of climate change. Answer: excessive burning of fossil fuels, exploding number of automobiles driven by oil, heavy deforestation. The following provides a cryogenic indicator of climate change. Answer: ice core. With reference to Global Climate Change Alliance, the following statements are correct. It is an initiative of European Union. It provides technical and financial support to targeted developing countries to integrate climate change into their development policies and budgets. India's first National Action Plan on Climate Change was released in Answer: 2008 AD. The following is not listed under 8 action of the Climate Action Plan on Government of India. Answer: atomic energy. The following is not included in the 8 mission under India's National Action Plan on Climate Change. Answer: nuclear power. Jharkhand Action Plan on Climate Change was published on Answer: 23rd December 2013. According to Jharkhand Action Plan on Climate Change Report 2014, the most sensitive district is Answer: Saraikela, Kharsa 1. The following statement regarding global warming are correct. Answer: melting of polar ice caps and subsequent rise in the sea level is the most important effect of global warming. All the coral islands in the world will be submerged. By 2044 AD, Fiji is likely to be submerged, and the rise in the sea level by the same year will pose a grave danger to the Netherlands. The following statements are correct about the deposit of methane hydrate. Answer: global warming. The following statements are correct about the deposit of methane hydrate. Answer: global warming might trigger the release of methane gas from these deposits. Large deposits of methane hydrate are found in Arctic tundra and under the seafloor. Methane in atmosphere oxidizes to carbon dioxide after a decade or two. Scientists of Manchester University recently suggested controlling global warming by cloud brightening over the Pacific Ocean through geoengineering. The following substance is used for this. Answer: seawater. In the context of global climate change, the following agriculture practices help in carbon sequestration, storage in the soil. Answer: contour bunding, relay cropping, or zero tillage. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) is an international treaty drawn at Answer: UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro, 1992. Intended nationally determined contributions sometimes seen in news refers to Answer: World Action Plan to deal with climate change. The following statement is incorrect for Green Climate Fund (GCF). Answer: it was established in the Durban Conference on Climate Change. The following statements regarding the Green Climate Fund is correct. Answer: it is intended to assist the developing countries in adaptation and mitigation practice to counter climate change. Among Australia, Germany, Japan, and New Zealand, the following country is the first country in the world to propose a carbon tax for its people to address global warming. Answer: New Zealand. With reference to Deep Carbon Observatory DCO, the following statements are correct. Answer A. It is a global research program to outreach role of carbon on Earth. It conducts field observation of deep microbial ecosystem. Due to the extensive rice cultivation, some regions may be contributing to global warming. For this, the following possible reasons are attributable. The anaerobic condition associated with rice cultivation cause the emission of methane. When nitrogen-based fertilizer are used, nitrous oxide is emitted from the cultivated soil. The following statements are true regarding the member of Asia-Pacific Partnership. They consume the world's 60% of energy. They contribute nearly 60% of world's greenhouse gases. They intend to support the Kyoto Protocol. Climate Action Tracker, which monitors the emission reduction pledges of different countries. Answer database created by Coalition of Research Organization. The following statements are correct. Answer: the Climate Group is an international non-profit organization that drives climate action by building large networks and run them. EP100 brings together leading companies committed to driving innovation in energy efficiency and increasing competitiveness while delivering on emission reduction goals. Some Indian companies are member of EP100. Ozone layer. Ozone layer absorbing ultraviolet radiation mostly exists in which atmospheric layer? Answer is stratosphere. The maximum concentration of ozone is found in. Answer is stratosphere. Most atmospheric ozone is concentrated in the stratosphere above the Earth's surface. Answer about 15 to 30 km. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is. Answer troposphere. The following is not true about chlorofluorocarbons. Answer: it is not responsible for greenhouse effects. This is responsible for ozone hole. Answer is CFC. The radiation that is absorbed by ozone present in the atmosphere is. Answer: ultraviolet. Ultraviolet radiation from sunlight causes the reaction that produces. Answer: O3. Ozone protects the biosphere from. Answer: ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer in atmosphere. Answer: provides safety to life on Earth from ultraviolet radiation. Ozone layer is useful for humanity because. Answer: it prevents the sun's ultraviolet rays from reaching the Earth. The ozone layer of atmosphere absorbs. Answer: ultraviolet rays. Harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun can cause. Answer is skin cancer. The International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on. Answer: 16 September. The ozone hole is caused by. Answer: chlorofluorocarbons. The following gas is responsible for decrement in the ozone layer. Answer: chlorofluorocarbons. The pollutants causing maximum damages to the ozone layer are. Answer: chlorofluorocarbons. The following is not responsible for the depletion of ozone layer. Answer: methyl chloroform used as a solvent. Among methane, carbon monoxide, and water vapors, the following greenhouse gas does not cause ozone depletion in the troposphere. Answer: carbon monoxide. Formation of the ozone hole is maximum over. Answer: Antarctica. Montreal Protocol is related to the protection of. Answer: ozone layer. Among chlorofluorocarbon, when land, water pollution and agriculture, Montreal Protocol is related to. Answer: chlorofluorocarbon. In stratosphere, the level of ozone is naturally regulated by. Answer: nitrogen dioxide. Chlorofluorocarbons, known as ozone depleting substances, are used. Answer: in the production of plastic phones, including certain electronic components, as pressurizing agents in aerosol. The following substances are ozone depleting. Answer: chlorofluorocarbons, halons, carbon tetrachloride. The formation of the ozone hole in the Antarctic region has been cause of concern. This could be the reason for the formation of this hole. Answer: presence of prominent polar front and stratospheric cloud and flow of chlorofluorocarbons. Among ammonia, methane, methane, and acetylene, this gas is filled in refrigerators. Answer: methane. Ozone CFC, acid rain, SO2 and NO. Ozone CFC, acid rain, SO2 and NO. Rocket fuel, kerosene oil, GHGs, CO2. The following team of scientists first discovered ozone hole over Antarctica. Answer: British team. The following had discovered ozone hole over Tibetan Plateau in 2005. G.W. Kent Murray. Assertion A. Ozone is essential for biotic. Reason R. The ozone layer protects the Earth's surface from high energy radiation. Answer: both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of it. The following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depleting substances. Answer: Montreal Protocol. Forest and wildlife. The theme of the 2023 International Day of Forest is. Answer: forest and health. The following has an evergreen forest. Answer: Western Ghat. The following are unique characteristics of equatorial forests. Answer: the presence of tall, closely set trees with crowns forming a continuous canopy. Coexistence of a large number of species. The presence of numerous varieties of epiphytes. Among Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Mizoram, tropical wet evergreen forest occurs in. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. The minimum land area recommended for forest cover to maintain proper ecological balance in India is. Answer: 33%. The National Forest Policy aims at maintaining how much of the total geographical area under forest. Answer: 1/3. The following has not been characterized as forest under the National Forest Policy 1952. Answer: national park. According to the Indian State of Forest Report 2021, the percentage of the total geographical area of the country under the forest is. Answer: 21.71%. According to the Indian State of Forest Report 2021 released by the Ministry of Environment, the percentage of the total geographical area of India under forest and tree cover is. Answer: 24.62. The following statement with reference to Uttar Pradesh are correct. Answer: forest constitutes about 6.15% of the total geographical area of the state. Every district of the state has some forest land. The following states has the largest area under forest. Answer: Madhya Pradesh. The percentage of forest cover concerning the total geographical area is highest in. Answer: Mizoram. The largest percentage of forest area is in. Answer: Mizoram. As part of new forest inventory design implemented in 2016, the revisit time has been reduced from 20 years to. Answer: 5 years. National Mission for Green India has been initiated in the following state by the Government of India with the aim to improve the density of existing forest. Answer: Jharkhand. The following is not the impact of deforestation in India. Answer: urbanization. In India, the state with the largest area under very dense forest is. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. The following statement is not correct. Answer: Nagaland is the most dense, most forest covered state of India. Among East Deccan, Northern Plains, West Coast, and East Coast, tree cover is maximum in. Answer: East Deccan. Assertion A. Forests are a renewable resource. Reason R. They enhance the quality of environment. Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion A. Natural resources are those that exist in a region and can also be used in future. Reason R. The development of an actual natural resource depends upon the technology and cost of production. Answer: both A and R are true, but R does not correctly explain A. According to the National Remote Sensing Agency (NRSA), among Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Himachal Pradesh, the following state has its maximum area covered by forest. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. The following statement is correct. Answer: the National Forest Action Program aims at bringing 1/3 of the area in India under tree or forest cover. According to India's State of Forest Report 2019, among Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Alwar, and Jaipur, in the following district, very dense forest area is minimum. Answer: Jodhpur. The following group of state has forest coverage of more than 75% of the total geographical area. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Nagaland. Among Himachal Pradesh, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh, the following state has the highest percentage of area under forest. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh. Among Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam, and Gujarat, the following state has the highest forest density in India. Answer: Mizoram. Consider the following states. Answer: with reference to the states mentioned above, in terms of percentage of forest cover to the total area of the state, the following correct ascending order. Answer: पहला महाराष्ट्र, दूसरा मध्य प्रदेश, तीसरा उड़ीसा, चौथा छत्तीसगढ़. The following state has more than 80% of its area covered by forest. Answer: Mizoram, 84.53%. The second largest mangrove area in India is found along the coast of. Answer: Gujarat. Mangrove tidal forest vegetation in India is mostly found in. Answer: Sundarbans. The following area of India is famous for its mangrove vegetation. Answer: Sundarbans. Among Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat, Goa, and Chandratal, the following has a protected mangrove region. Answer: Goa. यहाँ पे चौराव आइलैंड भी है. The following region of India has a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest, and deciduous forest. Answer: Andaman and Nicobar Island. According to IISFR 2021, recorded forest area of UP is around dash of its area. Answer: 7%. Nagaland mountains are becoming increasingly barren mountains mainly due to. Answer: shifting cultivation. The Miyawaki method is well known for the. Answer: creation of many forests in urban areas. Among Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh, the following state has launched Apna Dhan scheme. Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Among palm, canes, bamboos, and bananas, the following plant grown in non-forest area has been omitted from the definition of trees in the Indian Forest Amendment Act 2017. Answer: bamboo. Wildlife Protection Act was introduced in India in the year. Answer: 1972. The following act provides for the protection of wild animals in India. Answer: Wildlife Protection Act 1972. In India, if a species of tortoise is declared protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what does it imply? Answer: it enjoys the same level of protection as the tiger. According to the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, the following animals cannot be hunted by any person except under some provision provided by law. Answer: Gharial, Indian wild ass, or wild buffalo. If a particular plant species is placed under Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, what is the implication? Answer: a license is required to cultivate that plant. The Government of India enacted the Forest Conservation Act in the year. Answer: 1980. The National Afforestation and Eco Development Board (NAB) was set up by Government of India in the year. Answer: 1992. Project Tiger was launched in India on. Answer: 1st April 1973. The following events are arranged in chronological order of their commencement. Answer: Wildlife Protection Act 1972, Project Tiger 1973, Project Elephant 1992, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Forest Research Institute is located at. Answer: Dehradun. The Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education (ICFRE) has signed MOU with TIFAC for supporting forest-based communities. The headquarters of ICFRE is located in. Answer: Dehradun. The following institution is not related to the environment. Answer: Survey of India. India's largest fish is. Answer: Whale shark. The symbol of the World Wildlife Fund is. Answer: Giant panda. Gavialis crocodilia are found plenty in. Answer: Ganga and its tributaries. Consider the following animals of India. Which of them is or are endangered species? Answer: both 1 and 2. Crocodile or elephant दोनों. Chipko movement was basically against. Answer: deforestation. The following is considered as the leader of the Chipko movement. Answer: Sundarlal Bhaguna. The protagonist of the Chipko movement is. Answer: Chandi Prasad Bhatt. The movement against deforestation was launched in the Raini village of Chamoli under leadership of. Answer: Gaura Devi. According to the UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, World Wildlife Day is observed on. Answer: 3rd March. The Environment Protection Act passed by the Government of India in. Answer: 1986. The Parmark technique is used. Answer: for estimation of population of various wild animals. Assertion A. The loss of forest cover in India has been directly associated with demographic transition in India. Reason R. The forest cover is negatively related to population growth. Answer: both A and R are true and R explains A. The main cause for the forest loss are. Answer: industrial development. Rajiv Gandhi Wildlife Conservation Award is given to. Answer: Education and Research Institution, Forest and Wildlife Officer for Wildlife Conservation. The following statement regarding Project Elephant launched by the Government of India is not correct. Answer: the welfare of only wild elephant is taken care of. The main objective of Project Elephants were. Answer: to protect elephants, their habitats and corridors, to address issue of man-animal conflict, the welfare of domestic elephants. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resource is situated at. Answer: New Delhi. National Research Center for Agroforestry is located at. Answer: Jhansi. The greater diversity of plant and animal is characteristic of. Answer: tropical moist forest. In India, the following types of forest is the dominant tree species. Answer: tropical moist deciduous forest. The following forest is known as the lungs of the planet Earth. Answer: Amazon rainforest. The following leaf modification occur in the desert areas to inhibit water loss. Answer: hard and waxy leaves, tiny leaves, thorns instead of leaves. Among Africa, Asia, Australia, and South America, the tropical deciduous forests are more extensive in. Answer: Asia. Among Paschim Champaran, Gaya, Kaimur, and Nevada, the district which has larger area under dense deciduous forest cover is. Answer: Paschim Champaran. The National Forest Policy of 1988 includes. Answer: afforestation and development of wasteland, reforestation and replantation in existing forest, encouraging the wood substitutes and supplying other types of fuel. With reference to red center, sometimes seen in the news, the following statement is correct. Answer: it is a tree species found in a part of South India. Red centers on Palkonda and Sheshchalam mountain range in Andhra Pradesh. The following statements are correct. Answer: the definition of critical wildlife habitat is incorporated in the Forest Right Act 2006. For the first time in India, beggars have been given habitat rights. Ministry of Tribal Affairs के अंतर्गत. The following is not a major cause of wildlife extinction. Answer: fast pace of population growth. The following statements are correct. Answer: as per the Scheduled Tribes and other traditional forest dweller recognition of forest rights act 2006, bamboo is a minor forest produce. The Scheduled Tribe and other traditional forest dweller recognition of forest rights act 2006 follows ownership of minor forest produce to forest dwellers. What were the main objectives of the National Forest Policy? Answer: to ensure ecological balance, encouraging public community participation in forest management. ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है. गलत क्या है कि सोशल फॉरेस्ट को प्रमोट करता है. गलत है. 1/3 of country's total land to be forested. ये भी गलत है. According to ISFR 2021, the following states of India are arranged in descending order of their forest cover percent of forest area to total area. Answer: Manipur, Odisha, Maharashtra, Haryana. According to ISFR 2021, the following states of India are arranged in descending order of their forest area. Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Among Vijayawada, Chandigarh, Shillong, and Valpari, the following city of India is specialized in the plantation. Answer: Valparai. Among China, India, Indonesia, and Japan, the following country has the highest percentage of its geographical area under forest. Answer: Japan. The following country has passed a resolution to maintain forest on 60% land of its geographical area. Answer: Bhutan. Assertion A. Answer A. Aluminium is a green metal. सही है. Reason R. It substitutes wood for saving the forest. A is true but R is false. The following ecoregions of India is not correctly matched. Answer A. Eastern Deccan Plateau moist forest. सही है. South Western Ghat moist forest. Run of Kutch grassland. और तराई द्वार broadleaf forest. ये correct है. Monoculture of commercially viable trees is destroying the unique natural profile of thoughtless exploitation of timber. Deforestation, vast tracts for palm cultivation, destruction of mangroves. Illegal logging by tribals and poaching only compound the problems. Freshwater pockets are fast drying up due to deforestation and destruction of mangroves. The place referred to this quotation is answer is Sundarban. The 2004 tsunami made people realize that mangroves can serve as a reliable safety hedge against coastal calamities. How do mangroves function as a safety hedge? Answer: the mangroves trees do not get uprooted by storms and tides because of their extensive roots. Exception A. Coastal Odisha is most cyclone-prone area of India. Reason R. There is a large amount of deforestation of mangroves in Mahanadi Delta area. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Consider following statement about Bhitarkanika mangroves. It is located in the deltic region of Vansadhara and Subarnarekha rivers. It lies in the state of West Bengal. Of these, neither one nor two is correct. दोनों ही गलत है. The following statements are correct. The Texas tree naturally found in the Himalaya. The Texas tree is listed in the Red Data Book. A drug called Taxol is obtained from Texas tree, which is effective against Parkinson's disease. The following statements are correct. Answer: the World Wildlife Fund for Nature was established in 1961. Eucalyptus is environment enemy. The death of 13 lions in Nandan Forest Sanctuary of Odisha in July 2000 was due to trypanosomiasis disease. The biggest aquarium in India is situated in Kolkata. The following statement in respect of trade-related analysis of fauna and flora and commerce, traffic, is correct. Answer: the mission of traffic is to ensure that trade in wild plants and animals is not a threat to the conservation of nature. Traffic, non-government organization, alliance है WWF और IUCN का 1976 का है. The following animals are naturally found in India. Answer है star tortoise, monitor lizard और pygmy hog. The following list 1 Indian wildlife species and list 2 scientific names are correctly matched. List 1 Indian wildlife species, उसका scientific name Asiatic wild ass, Equus haminoes, Barasinga, Cervus duesili, Chinkara, Gazelle benete, Nilgai, Bosiliphus. Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Answer है Arunachal Pradesh. The following fauna of India are endangered. Answer है घड़ियाल, leatherback turtle और swamp deer. What is or are unique about Kharai camel, जिसे swimming camel भी कहते हैं? What is or are unique about Kharai camel, जिसे swimming camel भी कहते हैं? A breed found in India. इसमें करेक्ट आंसर बताना. It is capable of swimming up to 3 kilometers in sea water. It survives by grazing on mangroves. ये तो सही है. गलत क्या है? It lives in the wild and cannot be domesticated. ये गलत है. Among Japan, Indonesia, Suriname and Guyana, the following country has the largest percentage of its total area under forest. Answer है Suriname. Assertion A. Mangroves are very specialized forest ecosystem of tropical and subtropical regions bordering certain sea coasts. Reason R. They stabilize the shoreline and act as a bulwark against encroachment by sea. Answer both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. Amrita Devi Smriti Award is given for. Answer A. Protection of forest and wildlife. The World Tiger Summit 2010 was held at. Answer A. Petersburg, Russia. As a part of wildlife conservation efforts in Nepal and India, a new association by the name SAVE was launched recently. The objective of SAVE is to conserve. Answer A. Tigers. If you travel through the Himalayas, you are likely to see the following plants naturally grown there. Answer A. Oak or rhododendron. In Uttarakhand, oak rhododendron are characteristic plant of. Answer temperate forest. Every year, a month-long ecological important campaign festival is held during which certain communities tries plant saplings of fruit-bearing trees. Among Bhutia, Lepcha, Gond, Korku, Urula, Toda, Saharia, Agaria, the following are such communities or tribes. Answer Gond and Korku. In a particular region in India, the local people train the roots of living trees into robust bridge across the streams. As time passes, the bridges become stronger. These unique living root bridges are found in. Answer Meghalaya. The Environment Protection Act 1986 empowers the Government of India to. The Environment Protection Act 1986 empowers the Government of India to. Answer lay down the standards for emission or discharge of environmental pollutants from various sources. The following statements are correct. Answer National Tiger Conservation Authority is a statutory body. National Ganga River Basin Authority is chaired by the Prime Minister. Following list 1 and list 2 correctly matched. List 1 name of the act in India और उसका year. Forest Conservation Act 1980. Environment Protection Act 1986. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. The Water Pollution Control Act 1974. Sanctuary or Biosphere Reserves. International Tiger Day is observed on. Answer 29 July. Most of the wildlife protected areas in India are surrounded by. Answer A. Dense. Today, as on January 2023, how many national parks are? Following list 1 and list 2 correctly matched. List 1 name of the act in India और उसका year. Forest Conservation Act 1980. Environment Protection Act 1986. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. The Water Pollution Control Act 1974. Sanctuary or Biosphere Reserves. International Tiger Day is observed on. Answer 29 July. Most of the wildlife protected areas in India are surrounded by. Answer A. Dense forest. Today, as on January 2023, how many national parks are there in India which has been established to protect wild animals? Answer A. 106. Project Tiger of the government advises. Answer A. To save the Indian tigers from extinction. Project Tiger in India was started in. Answer A. 1973. To protect the Indian tigers, Project Tiger was launched in the year. Answer 1973. The term M stripes is sometimes seen in the news in the context of. Answer A. Maintenance of tiger reserves. India's first dolphin observatory is being built in. Answer A. Bihar, Bhagalpur district. First Indian dolphin observatory जो थी विक्रमशिला गंगेटिक डॉल्फिन सेंचुरी थी. National Biological Garden of India is situated in. Answer A. New Delhi. First national park established in India. Answer Jim Corbett National Park. ये oldest भी है. Jim Corbett National Park is located in. Answer है उत्तराखंड 1936 में. Rajiv Gandhi National Park is located in. Answer है कर्नाटका. Maintenance of genetic diversity in national park is done by. Answer है in situ conservation. Periyar Game Sanctuary is famous for. Answer wild elephants. Kerala में. Betla National Park is situated in. Answer Jharkhand. Rani Jhansi Maritime National Park was founded in. Answer 1996. The largest tiger habitat in India is in. Answer Andhra Pradesh. Dugad Peak is situated in the following national parks. Answer is Satpura National Park. Among Corbett, Ranthambore, Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Salem and Sundarban, the following tiger reserves has the largest area under critical tiger habitat. Answer Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Salem, Sri Salem. The home of the Asiatic lion is Answer Gir Forest. The total 18 biosphere reserves has been listed so far. These are Nilgiri 1986 5520 km square, Nanda Devi 1988 6407.3 km square, Gulf of Mannar 1989 10,500 km square, Nokrek 1988, Great Nicobar 1989, Manas 1989, Sundarban 1999, Simlipal 1994, Dibru Saikhowa 1997, Dehang Dibang, Panchmadi, Kanchenjunga, Asthal Malai, Achana Kamar, Amarkantak, Kutch, Cold Desert, Seychelles Hills, Opanna, Star. They have been included in the UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve list under MAP program. The following list 1 and list 2. List 1 biosphere sites or year of setting up. Nilgiri 1986, Nanda Devi 1988, Sundarban 1989, Kanchenjunga 2000, Jim Corbett Tiger, Kaziranga Rhinoceros, Jim Corbett Tiger, Kaziranga Rhinoceros, Periyar Elephant, Kelotia Ghana, Bharatpur Bird, Agasthamalai Kerala, Kanchenjunga Sikkim. The following is not a biosphere reserve. Answer Nalamalai. The following sanctuaries is not directly matched with the specified protected area species. Answer Ghana lion. Biosphere reserves are areas to preserve. Answer genetic diversity. The following list 1 biosphere reserve का location से match करना. Nokrek Meghalaya, Manas Assam, Tehang Debang Arunachal Pradesh, Agasthamalai Kerala, Simlipal Odisha. The following pair is not correctly matched. Biosphere location Manas Meghalaya. You are not correct. Manas आपका है असम में. The following is not properly matched. कंचनजंगा हिमाचल प्रदेश ये गलत है. फॉलोइंग लिस्ट 1 बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व स्टेट कौन सा स्टेट में? पहला सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा, दिहांग दिबांग अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नोक्रेक. द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्ट. कंचनजंगा हिमाचल प्रदेश ये गलत है. द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. सिमलीपाल नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं है, उड़ीसा में. द बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व स्टेट कौन सा स्टेट में? पहला सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा, दिहांग दिबांग अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नोक्रेक मेघालय, कोल्ड डेजर्ट हिमाचल प्रदेश. द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. सिमलीपाल नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं है, उड़ीसा में. द फॉलोइंग बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स ऑफ इंडिया स्प्रेड ओवर गारो हिल्स. आंसर है नोक्रेक. स्टेटमेंट 1, कांगेर घाटी इज अ नेशनल पार्क. स्टेटमेंट 2, Kanger Ghati is not a biosphere reserve. Statement 3, Kanger Ghati is spread starting from Tirathgarh waterfalls to the Kolab river, the boundary of Odisha in the east. तीनों statement सही है. The decreasing order of the following biosphere reserve from point of view of the length is. Answer Gulf of Mannar, Sundarban, Panchmadi, Kanchenjunga. Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in the state. Answer Uttarakhand. The following is a World Heritage Site. Answer Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. India has recently added one more biosphere reserve among Nokrek, Debang, Simlipal, Cold Desert. The latest one in the list is answer Cold Desert. The following statements are correct. Answer the boundaries of a national park are defined by legislation. In a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. In the following category of protected area in Indian local people are not allowed to collect and use the biomass. Answer national parks. In India list of 7 world natural heritage sites are answer Kaziranga National Park, Kerala Dev National Park, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Sundarbans National Park, Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park, Western Ghats, Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area. In India, Project Elephant was launched in the year. Answer 1992. With reference to the Indian elephant, the following statements are correct. Answer है the leader of an elephant group is a female. The maximum gestation period can be 18 to 22 months. Most of the female elephants give birth for the first time between 16 to 17 years, and they can calve until the age of 60 or more. Among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Karnataka. The wildlife sanctuary is situated in answer Gujarat. One horned rhinoceros is found in the following states. Answer West Bengal and Assam. The following sanctuary is famous for rhinoceros. Answer Kaziranga. Dudhwa National Park is situated in answer Lakhimpur Kheri. Among Corbett National Park, Dudhwa National Park and Kanha National Park rhinoceros rehabilitation is being done in the following national parks. Answer Dudhwa National Park. Mautai Sanctuary, Palama. Top Chachi Sanctuary, Mautai Sanctuary, Palama. Top Chachi Sanctuary, Dhanbad. Levelong Sanctuary, Chhatra. The expert committee of the Ministry of Environment had given its approval in March 2017 to transfer land from Gir National Park to answer है Kuno National Park. The following statement is correct. Answer है Asiatic lion is naturally found in India only. The following is not correctly matched. Answer है उधवा बर्ड सेंचुरी कोडरमा. उधवा बर्ड सेंचुरी जो है वो साहिबगंज झारखंड में है. The following statements are correct. Answer है सिमलीपाल नेशनल पार्क is situated in Odisha. Thailand was known as Siam during ancient times. मैच लिस्ट 1 और लिस्ट 2 नेशनल पार्क को स्टेट से मिला दो. बांधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश, बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क कर्नाटका, रोला नेशनल पार्क हिमाचल प्रदेश, गिर नेशनल पार्क गुजरात. द फॉलोइंग स्टेट हैज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ नेशनल पार्क. आंसर है मध्य प्रदेश. द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. इसका आंसर है चंदोली नेशनल पार्क गुजरात. सही नहीं है. ठीक, आंसर सही क्या क्या है? अंशी नेशनल पार्क कर्नाटका में है, बल्फक्रम नेशनल पार्क मेघालय में है, हेमिस नेशनल पार्क लद्दाख में है, फांगपुल नेशनल पार्क इन मिजोरम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज. आंसर है ब्लू माउंटेन पार्क. लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 से मैच करना है. प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया इन इंडिया को नंबर इन जनवरी 2023 से मैच करना है. कम्युनिटी रिजर्व 220, कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व 105, नेशनल पार्क 106, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी 567. द स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया विद मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इज. आंसर है अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 से मैच करना है. नवाबगंज बर्ड सेंचुरी उन्नाव, ओखला बर्ड सेंचुरी गाजियाबाद, समसपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी रायबरेली, पार्वती आगरा बर्ड सेंचुरी गोंडा. द फॉलोइंग स्टेट हैज द आइडियल हैबिटेट फॉर द साइबेरियन क्रेन. आंसर है राजस्थान. स्टेट्स और नेशनल पार्क. उत्तराखंड राजाजी नेशनल पार्क, असम मानस, उड़ीसा सिमलीपाल, कर्नाटका बांदीपुर. द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. पिन वैली नेशनल पार्क जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, ये गलत है. पिन वैली पार्क हिमाचल प्रदेश में. सरिस्का रणथंबोर आर द रिजर्व्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग एनिमल्स. आंसर है टाइगर. द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. आंसर है सिमलीपाल नेशनल पार्क एमपी. ठीक है, ये उड़ीसा में. सिमलीपाल नेशनल पार्क आपका उड़ीसा में. सलीम अली नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड इन. आंसर है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. लिस्ट 1 नेशनल पार्क वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी नियर बाई टाउन. चंद्रप्रभा वाराणसी, करेरा झांसी, जैसलमेर उदयपुर, नाहरगढ़ जयपुर. लिस्ट 1 नेशनल पार्क स्टेट से मैच करना. इंतांकी नागालैंड, बेटला झारखंड, सिरोही मणिपुर, गुंडी तमिलनाडु. लिस्ट 1 नेशनल पार्क को स्टेट से मैच करना है. इंद्रावती छत्तीसगढ़, मोलेम गोवा, कालेसर हरियाणा, बेटला झारखंड. लिस्ट ऑफ टाइगर रिजर्व्स इन इंडिया. नेम ऑफ टाइगर रिजर्व स्टेट बांदीपुर कर्नाटक, कॉर्बेट उत्तराखंड, आमनगढ़ बफर उत्तर प्रदेश, कान्हा मध्य प्रदेश, मानस असम, मेलघाट महाराष्ट्र, पलामू झारखंड, रणथंबोर राजस्थान, सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा, सुंदरबन वेस्ट बंगाल, पेरियार केरला, सरिस्का राजस्थान, बक्सा वेस्ट बंगाल, इंद्रावती छत्तीसगढ़, नामदफा अरुणाचल प्रदेश, दुधवा उत्तर प्रदेश, कालाकड़ मुंडानथुरई तमिलनाडु, वाल्मीकि बिहार, पेंच मध्य प्रदेश, तदोबा अंधारी महाराष्ट्र, बांधवगढ़ मध्य प्रदेश, पन्ना मध्य प्रदेश, दाम्पा मिजोरम, भाद्रा कर्नाटक, पेंच महाराष्ट्र, पाके अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नामेरी असम, सतपुरा मध्य प्रदेश, अन्नामलाई तमिलनाडु, उदांती सितांदी छत्तीसगढ़, सतकोशिया उड़ीसा, काजीरंगा असम, अचानक कुमार छत्तीसगढ़, दानदेली आंशी कर्नाटक, संजय डुपरी मध्य प्रदेश, मुदमलाई तमिलनाडु, नागरहोल कर्नाटक, पारंबिकुलम केरला, शायद्री महाराष्ट्र, बिलगिरी रंगतमाला टेम्पल कर्नाटक, कवाल तेलंगाना, संथमंगलम तमिलनाडु, मुकंदरा हिल्स राजस्थान, नावेगांव नागसीरा महाराष्ट्र, नागार्जुन सागर श्रीशैलम आंध्र प्रदेश, अमरावती तेलंगाना, पीलीभीत उत्तर प्रदेश, बोर महाराष्ट्र, राजाजी टाइगर रिजर्व उत्तराखंड, ओरांग टाइगर रिजर्व असम, कामलांग टाइगर रिजर्व अरुणाचल प्रदेश, श्री विल्लीपुत्तूर मेघामलाई तमिलनाडु, रामगढ़ विश्वधरी टाइगर रिजर्व राजस्थान, रानीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व उत्तर प्रदेश. टाइगर रिजर्व्स और कौन से स्टेट में? बांदीपुर कर्नाटक, मानस असम, नामथापा अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सिमलीपाल उड़ीसा. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग एरिया विच ऑफ द अबव आर टाइगर रिजर्व्स. तो आंसर है बांदीपुर, मानस और सुंदरबन. अमंग मेलघाट, बक्सा, दाम्फा एंड भादरा द फॉलोइंग टाइगर रिजर्व्स ऑफ इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन मिजोरम. आंसर है दाम्फा. द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड. आंसर है बक्सा टाइगर रिजर्व जो बिहार लगाया उसकी जगह. आंसर है वेस्ट बंगाल. बक्सा टाइगर रिजर्व है आपका वेस्ट बंगाल में. द फॉलोइंग टाइगर रिजर्व्स लाइज इन 2 स्टेट्स. आंसर है पेंच. The famous tiger reserve Sariska is situated in the following state. Answer है राजस्थान. काजीरंगा is known for. Answer है rhinoceros. List 1 century और list 2 state. Answer है कर्मपानी असम, नामदफा अरुणाचल प्रदेश, पाखाल आंध्र प्रदेश और सरिस्का राजस्थान. गोमार्गा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी situated in. Answer है रायगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. The national चंबल सेंचुरी fall in the following state. Answer है उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश एंड राजस्थान. चंद्रप्रभा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी situated in which district of उत्तर प्रदेश. Answer है चंदौली. The मानस सेंचुरी in Assam is known for. Answer है टाइगर्स. The following are correctly matched. Answer है कान्हा नेशनल पार्क मंडला बालाघाट, बांधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क उमरिया, माधव नेशनल पार्क शिवपुरी, इंद्रावती नेशनल पार्क बीजापुर. द फॉलोइंग प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया इज वेल नोन फॉर द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सब स्पीसीज ऑफ द इंडियन स्वैम्प डियर बारहसिंगा दैट थ्राइव्स वेल ऑन हार्ड ग्राउंड एंड इज एक्सक्लूसिवली. आंसर कान्हा नेशनल पार्क. द फॉलोइंग आर करेक्टली मैच्ड. गिर फॉरेस्ट गुजरात, भरतपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी राजस्थान, बांधवगढ़ सेंचुरी मध्य प्रदेश, काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क असम. करेक्टली मैच्ड. लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 पार्क सेंचुरी स्टेट्स है. दाचिगम वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, केलोदिया घाना घाना बर्ड सेंचुरी राजस्थान, कान्हा नेशनल पार्क मध्य प्रदेश, पेरियार वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी केरला. The Chingam National Park is associated with. Answer है हंगुल और कश्मीर स्टैग. Following list 1 list 2 से correctly matched. The Chingam जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, पापीकोंडा आंध्र प्रदेश, सरिस्का राजस्थान, बांदीपुर कर्नाटक. The following is not correctly matched. बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क तमिलनाडु लिखा है, तमिलनाडु नहीं है. बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क आपका कर्नाटक में है. From the ecological point of view, the following assumes importance in being a good link between the eastern and western ghats. Answer है सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व. The following national parks are arranged in their chronological order from their earliest to the latest. Answer Jim Corbett, Kanha, Kaziranga, Silent Valley. The following is located in Chhattisgarh. Answer है इंद्रावती नेशनल पार्क. The following animals can live for the longest duration without drinking water. Answer है kangaroo rat. The following has been declared as tiger reserves. Answer है Rajaji National Park. Govind National Park includes. Answer है source region of Tans River. With reference to national park and wildlife sanctuary in India, the following statements are correct. Answer है highest number of wildlife sanctuary are in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Highest number of national park are in Madhya Pradesh. Match list 1 and list 2 century of national park. Main protected animal. Kaziranga rhinoceros. Gir lion. Sundarban tiger. Periyar elephant. The following is not correctly matched. Periyar National Park हंगुल. हंगुल यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे आपके हैं एलिफेंट. The following pair is correctly matched. Answer है केलोदिया नेशनल पार्क भरतपुर. The Yellowstone National Park is located in. Answer है USA. The following is a marine national park. Answer है Gulf of Mannar. The UNESCO declared the following national park of India as the World Heritage Site in July 2016. Answer है Kanchenjunga National Park. Jaipur was listed as World Heritage Site by the UNESCO World Heritage Committee in its 43rd session held in the city. Answer है Baku, Azerbaijan. The following are the only UNESCO World Heritage Site present in the Bihar state of India. Answer है Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya 2002 and archaeological sites of Nalanda, Mahavira at Nalanda 2016. The following pair is correctly matched. Answer है Biosphere Reserve Edward Suez. The following aerial photographs are suitable for wildlife management in Corbett and Rajaji National Park. Answer है small scale photographs. The following national park is unique in being swamped with floating vegetation that supports a rich biodiversity. Answer है Kebul Lamjao National Park, Manipur. For the first time in our country, the following state has declared a particular butterfly as state butterfly. Answer है Maharashtra. Man and Biosphere Program MAB by UNESCO was started in. Answer है 1971. Great Himalayan National Park, which has been accorded the UNESCO World Heritage Site status, is located in. Answer है Himachal Pradesh. The Oceanic National Park of India is located in. Answer है Kutch. Among Nilgiri, Nanda Devi, Sundarban and Gulf of Mannar, the following is regarding the area, the largest UNESCO approved biosphere reserve of India. Answer: Gulf of Mannar. The following pair are correctly matched. Nokre Biosphere Reserve, Garo Hills, Meghalaya. Loktak Lake, Manipur. Namdapha National Park, Arunachal Pradesh. The 16th Biosphere Reserve of India, Cold Desert, lies in. Answer है Himachal Pradesh. Biosphere Reserve, first used by Edward Swiss. Biodiversity, first by R.F. Tasman. Ecosystem, first used by A.G. Tansley. Ecology, first used by Reiter and Ernest Haeckel. The following are in Aristhamalai Biosphere Reserve. Answer है Nair, Tepara and Shenturne Wildlife Sanctuaries and Kalakad Munthatrai Tiger Reserve. The government of India has set a target of achieving how much solar power capacity by the year 2022. Answer है 100 gigawatt. The Garden of Five Seasons is located near. Answer है Mehrauli. India has the largest population of Asian X. Today there are just about 20,000 to 25,000 X in their natural habitat, spreading across the evergreen forest, dry thorn forest, swamps and grassland. Their prime habitats are, however, the most deciduous forest. The X population in India ranges from northwest India, where they are found in Dehradun and Nainital of Uttarakhand, to forest areas of Bijnor in Uttar Pradesh, to the western Ghat in the states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. In central India, their population is disturbed in southern Bihar and Odisha. In the east, there are seen in North Bengal, Assam and a few other states. The animal X referred to in this question is. Answer: elephant. The world's largest population of tiger is in India. It is estimated. Answer: 3167 according to Tiger Census 2022. With reference to the detailed report of Tiger Census 2018 released by Government of India in July 2020, the following statements are correct. Answer: India has 70% of total global tigers population. Nearly 30% of India's tigers live outside tiger reserve. Assertion A: 12 cheetahs arrived from South Africa to India in February 2023. Reason R: restoring cheetah population is considered to be a priority for India. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. The following national park has started to use a drone, unmanned aerial vehicle, for wildlife management. Answer: Bandipur Tiger Reserve. The following national park has been selected to House of Gir Lions. Answer: Palpur Kuno. The following pair are correctly matched. Protected area, well known for. Bhaitakanika, Odisha, saltwater lake crocodile. Desert National Park, Great Indian Bustard, Rajasthan. Desert National Park, Rajasthan. Holak Gibbon, Assam. The following region of India you are most likely to come across the Great Indian Hornbill in its natural habitat. Answer are Western Ghats. With reference to India's Desert National Park, the following statements are correct. Answer: it is spread over 2 districts. It is one of the natural habitats of Great Indian Bustard. If you want to see gharials in the natural habitat, the following is the best place to visit. Answer है Chambal River. List 1 national park, उनकी लोकेशन. काजीरंगा, गोलाघाट, नवगांव. कुद्रेमुख, चिकमगलूर. साइलेंट वैली, पालघाट. पेंच वैली, नागपुर. The following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin. Answer है Nagarhole National Park, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. At this place, India's first butterfly park have been established. Answer है Banere Ghat Biological Park, Bangalore. Ashkot Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in the district of. Answer है Pittorgarh, Uttarakhand. The following are the most likely places to find the musk deer in its natural habitat. Answer है Ashkot Wildlife Sanctuary, Gangotri National Park. List 1 Tiger Reserve, Uttar State, मैच करना. बांदीपुर, कर्नाटका. मेलघाट, महाराष्ट्र. बक्सा, West Bengal. पाके, अरुणाचल प्रदेश. The Corbett National Park gets its water from. Answer है रामगंगा River. The following national park has a climate that varies from tropical to subtropical temperature and Arctic. Answer है Namdapha National Park. Buxar Tiger Reserve is located in the state of India. Answer है West Bengal. Sukla Pantha Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Answer है Nepal. The following pairs are correctly matched. Damphar Tiger Reserve, Mizoram. Gumti WLS Wildlife Sanctuary, त्रिपुरा में. सारामती पीक, नागालैंड में. नेशनल पार्क, रिवर फ्लोइंग थ्रू द पार्क. कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, ये रामगंगा और काशी यहाँ पे. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, ब्रह्मपुत्र डिफ्लू, मोरा धानसिरी. साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क, कुंती पूजा. Following pairs correctly matched. Wetlands of confluence of rivers. Harike wetlands, confluence of Vyas and Satluj. Koilidu, Gambhir and Banganga. Kolero, Krishna and Godavari. The first marine sanctuary in India with coral reefs, mollusks, dolphins, tortoises and various kinds of sea birds within its bounds has been established in. Answer है Gulf of Kutch. The cloud goats of the Nilgiri is found in. Answer है Eravikulam National Park. List 1 list 2 National Park Wildlife Sanctuary or states. Bodla Wildlife Sanctuary, Goa. कांकरे घाट नेशनल पार्क, छत्तीसगढ़. औरंग सेंचुरी, असम. उशकोटी या कोटागढ़ वाइल्ड सेंचुरी, ओडिशा. The following national park lies completely in the temperate alpine zone. Valley of Flowers National Park, Uttarakhand. The Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in. Answer है Kerala. Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary has been established for the conservation of. Answer Himalayan musk deer. Valmiki Tiger Reserve (VIR) of Bihar has launched. Answer Vulture Conservation Plan. Recently, China has claimed rights over territories around the Sakteng Wildlife Sanctuary, claiming it as a disputed region. The wildlife sanctuary is located in. Answer Bhutan. With reference to Indian laws about wildlife protection, the following statements are correct. Answer: wild animals are the sole property of the government. When a wild animal is declared protected, such animal is entitled for equal protection whether it is found in protected areas or outside. Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary is situated in. Answer: Gurgaon. The bird sanctuary of Tamil Nadu is located in. Answer: Karikali. The following country has more than 30% of its total area under national park. Answer: Bhutan. The world's largest botanical garden of the world is at. Answer: Kew, England. Air Royal Botanical Garden, ABQ, England. Bundala Biosphere Reserve, which has been recently added to the UNESCO's Man and Biosphere Network, is located in. Answer: Sri Lanka. अब इसके बाद हम देखते हैं नॉन कन्वेंशनल एनर्जी एंड एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज. द फॉलोइंग इज द रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. आंसर है सोलर एनर्जी. द फॉलोइंग इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टोर हाउस ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव एनर्जी. आंसर है सोलर एनर्जी. Solar energy is drawn from the following. Answer is sun. Solar energy is drawn from the following. Answer is sun. Conventional source of energy is answer is coal, petroleum, natural gas, and atomic or nuclear energy. Among nuclear energy, wood, coal, and tongue. The following is not an example of biomass energy source. Answer is nuclear energy. Among nuclear energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, and tidal energy. The following energy source is used maximum in organic form. Answer is solar energy. Among petroleum product, forest product, nuclear fission, and solar cell, the following energy source is most eco-friendly. Answer is solar cell. The following place was the first 100% organic state in the world. Answer is Sikkim, India. The following is not a fossil fuel. Answer is uranium. An ultimate source of energy stored in fossil fuels is answer is sun. This form of energy does not create environment issue. Answer is solar. The following fuels creates the least pollution. Answer is hydrogen. The second most important source after fossil fuels contributing to Indian energy need is answer is solar energy. Energy crisis means answer is the danger of the extinction of fossil fuel like coal and petrol. The following is the best source of generating electricity in India from the viewpoint of sustainable development. Answer is hydroelectricity. The following source of renewable energy has the greatest potential in India. Answer is solar power. The following statement about biofuel is not correct. Answer is biofuel is cost effective. The following is a biodiesel crop. Answer is jatropha. The following is the source of green fuel. Answer is karanja, pine fern. This crop can be cultivated for ethanol. Answer is maize. The major components of CNG is answer is CH4. The first Indian airline company that used biofuel as ATF in August 2018 is answer is SpiceJet. Under the nuclear power project, environmental effects that have to be studied and resolved are answer is radioactive contamination of air, soil and water, deforestation and loss of flora and fauna, radioactive waste disposal. The first summit of International Solar Alliance was held in the following city. Answer is New Delhi. At the following place, the Secretariat of the International Solar Alliance (ISA) is located at present. Answer is Gurugram. The International Solar Alliance has recently signed a pact with following international organization to promote solar energy deployment in Asia and Pacific. Answer is Asian Development Bank. Incinerators are used for answer burning wastes. This district has become India's first district to have 100% solar powered health centers. Answer is Surat. The first union territory of India to run 100% on solar energy is answer is Diu. The following smart cities has become India's first city to run 100% renewable energy during daytime. Answer is Diu. The following statement is correct. Answer is the International Solar Alliance was launched at the United Nations Climate Change Conference in 2015. Biomass gasification is considered to be one of the sustainable solutions to the power crisis in India. In this context, the following statement is correct. Answer is coconut shells, groundnut shells, and rice hulls can be used in biomass gasification. The following statement is incorrect in reference to the compost. ये incorrect जो है वो the process of decomposition pits is slowed down by earth form. The following renewable power resources had highest installed capacity in the country in 2014. Answer is wind power. Concerning fuel cells, in which hydrogen-rich fuel oxygen are used to generate electricity, the following statement is correct. Answer is if pure hydrogen is used as fuel, the fuel cell emits heat and water as a byproduct. Assertion A. Coal-based thermal power station contribute to acid rain. Reason R. Oxides of carbon are emitted when coal burns. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Microbial fuel cells are considered a source of sustainable energy because answer they use living organisms as catalysts to generate electricity from certain substrates. They can be installed in wastewater treatment plant to cleanse water and produce electricity. It is possible to produce algae-based biofuels, but following are the likely limitations of developing countries in promoting this industry. Setting up and engineering the algae-based biofuel production requires a high level of expertise. Technology until the construction is completed. Economically viable production necessitates the setting up of large-scale facilities, which may raise ecological and social concerns. At the present level of technology available in India, solar energy can be conveniently used to answer supply hot water to residential buildings, supply water for minor irrigation projects, provide street lighting. Other than jatropha, carcass, Pongamia pinnata, also considered a good option for the production of biodiesel in India because also considered a good other than jatropha, carcass, Pongamia pinnata, also considered a good option for the production of biodiesel in India because Pongamia pinnata grows naturally in most of the arid regions of India. The seeds of Pongamia pinnata are rich in lipid content, of which nearly half is oleic acid. In the following areas of India, geothermal energy sources have been found. Answer is Ganga Delta. List 1 को list 2 से correctly match करें. Minerals exhaustible, solar energy inexhaustible, biogas, methane and carbon dioxide, deforestation, rainfall. With reference to solar power production in India, the following statements are not correct. Answer is India is the third largest in the world in the manufacture of silicon wafers used in photovoltaic unit. The solar power tariffs are determined by the Solar Energy Corporation of India. In the Union Budget 2011-12, a full exemption from the basic custom duty was extended to the bio-based bioasphalt. The importance of this material is, answer, unlike traditional asphalt, bioasphalt is not based on fossil fuels. Bioasphalts can be made from non-organic waste materials. It is eco-friendly to use bioasphalt from surfacing of the roads. Pollution and its types. Human-made pollutants are called, answer, anthropogenic. The environment modified by human activities is called, answer, anthropogenic environment. Biodegradable pollutant is, answer, sewage. The combustion of coal, petrol, diesel, etc. is the basic source of, answer, air pollution. The following energy source produce no atmospheric pollution. Answer is solar energy. The following is a biodegradable pollutant. Answer is sewage. Among the facial matter, pesticide, urine and domestic waste, it is not a biodegradable polluter. Answer is pesticide. Photochemical smog is a resultant of the reaction among answer N2O3 and peroxyethyl nitrate in the presence of sunlight. Photochemical smog, nitrogen oxide. During normal condition, the gas which pollutes the atmosphere is answer carbon monoxide. The following is not a secondary pollutant. Answer sulfur dioxide. The following is the secondary pollutant. Answer है PAN O3 smoke. Smoke जो है वो by oxide of nitrogen and sulfur. Colorless gas coming out from motor vehicle and cigarette due to incomplete combustion is answer carbon monoxide. The following air pollutants can affect bloodstream leading to death. Answer carbon monoxide. Pollutant emission gas in vehicle exhaust is mainly answer carbon monoxide. Combustion of petrol in automobile pollutes the air by producing the following meta. Answer lead. The following air pollutant get dissolved in the hemoglobin of the blood more rapidly than oxygen. Answer carbon monoxide. The following air pollutant is most dangerous. Answer carbon monoxide. The non-biotic pollutant is underground water is answer arsenic. When did the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted? Answer 1974. Water pollution of river is measured by answer amount of oxygen dissolved in water. Biological oxygen demand BOD is a standard criteria for answer pollution assay in aquatic ecosystem. Indiscriminate use of fertilizer has led to answer soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution. The highest chemical pollution is caused by the industrial influence of answer leather industry. Acid rain is due to air pollution by answer nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. The components of acid rain is OR, answer HNO3 and H2SO4. The following environment pollutants are responsible for acid rain. Answer nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Acid rain is caused by industries. Reaction between cloud and sulfur dioxide pollutant. The following is an air pollutant gas and is released burning fossil fuel. Answer sulfur dioxide. The following is not related to air pollution. Answer eutrophication. Fly ash pollution is caused by answer thermal power plant. Green mufflers is related to answer noise pollution. Bhopal gas tragedy leak of methyl isocyanate MIC. Accident happened on answer 3rd December 1984. The gas which leaked from Union Carbide Factory Bhopal was answer methyl isocyanate. The gas leaked out in the Bhopal gas tragedy causing numerous deaths was answer MIC. Polythene bags cannot be destroyed because they are made of answer polymers of ethylene. The following is not destroyed by bacteria. Answer plastic. The following is biodegradable. Answer rubber. This following is a bioindicator of air pollution. Lichen. This is well-known example of bioindicator of air pollution. Answer है lichens. Biological oxygen demand is an indication of air of pollution in answer aquatic environment. A water body having POT indicates that its water is answer being contaminated by sewage. The water pollution in a river is determined by measuring the dissolved amount of answer oxygen. With reference to eutrophication, the following statements are correct. Answer: the water pollution in a river is determined by measuring the dissolved amount of answer oxygen. With reference to eutrophication, the following statements are correct. Answer: it is a phenomenon of nutrient enrichment of a water body. It depletes dissolved oxygen of the water. Bioremediation means answer: elimination of toxic pollutants from the environment by organisms. In the context of solving pollution problems, the advantage of bioremediation techniques are answer: it is a technique for cleaning up pollution by enhancing the some biodegradation process that occurs in nature. Genetic engineering can be used to create microorganisms specifically designed for bioremediation. This is not a water pollutant. Answer: sulfur dioxide. The problem of water pollution with arsenic is maximum in answer: West Bengal. Among Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan, the following country have natural arsenic water contamination. Answer: Bangladesh. Chernobyl accident is related with answer: nuclear accident. This is a biodegradable pollutant. Answer: sewage. The most toxic metal pollutant of automobile exhaust is answer: lead. According to the World Air Quality Report released by IQ Air in March 2023, the most polluted city of India in 2022 is answer: Bhiwadi. According to the report released by Greenpeace India in January 2020, amongst 27 Indian cities, the most polluted city was answer: Jharia. The seasonal factor responsible for intense cold in northern India in January 2012 was answer: La Nina. The following river is called biodegradable desert on account of its pollutants. Answer: Damodar. This is used as an adulterant of a mustard seed. Answer: Ericmon seed. There is a great concern about the microbeads that are released into environment because answer: they are considered harmful to marine ecosystem. The following is known for clearing polluted environment. Answer: rain. The Union Cabinet has approved MOU between India and SASEP for cooperation on oil and chemical pollution in the South Asian Seas region. SASEP stands for answer: South Asia Cooperative Environment Program. There is a concern over the increase in harmful algal bloom in the sea's water of India. The causative factors for this phenomenon could be answer: discharge of nutrient from estuaries, runoff from the land during monsoon, or quelling in seas. As per the Solid Waste Management Rule 2016 in India, the following statement is correct. Answer: the rule provides for exact and elaborate criteria for the identification of sites for landfills and waste processing facilities. Asian brown cloud 2002 was mainly spread over answer: South Asia. In the context of the following phenomenon, some scientists suggest the use of cirrus cloud thinning technique and the injection of sulfate aerosol into stratosphere. Answer: reducing the global warming. In the context of the following term, pyrolysis and plasma gasification are mentioned. Answer: waste to energy technologies. Assertion: during winter, air pollution in Delhi reaches to the maximum level. Reason: combustion process in motor vehicles increasing during winter. Answer: A is true but R is false. Cigarette smoke contains answer: carbon monoxide and benzene. Lead ingested or inhaled is a health hazard. After the addition of lead to petrol has been banned, there are still the source of lead poisoning. Answer: smelting units और पेंट्स. इंपॉर्टेंट इंडोर एयर पोल्यूटेंट रेडॉन गैस. लिस्ट 1 लिस्ट 2 से मैच करना है. एयर पोल्यूटेंट को पार्ट अफेक्टेड से मैच करते हैं. एस्बेस्टॉस डस्ट लंग कैंसर होता है. लेड से ब्रेन पे असर होता है. मरकरी से स्टमक पे और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड से ब्लड स्ट्रीम पे. मैच लिस्ट 1 करेक्टली विद लिस्ट 2 पोल्यूटेंट्स और उनके इफेक्ट्स. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड डैमेज टू लिवर एंड किडनी. ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन कैंसर. सॉइल पार्टिकल्स एलिमेंट रिलेटेड टू ब्रीथिंग. लेड सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. सम इंपॉर्टेंट पोल्यूटेंट्स रिलीज बाय द स्टील इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया आर आंसर है ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ सल्फर, ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. The following countries suffer from the acid rains. Answer: Canada, Norway. The emissions from coal combustion at thermal power plant are answer: carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxide of sulfur. List 1 phenomenon to compound से match करना. Acid rain, sulfur dioxide, photochemical smoke, unsaturated hydrocarbons, combination with hemoglobin, carbon monoxide, depletion of ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbon. In the context of proposal to use of hydrogen in CNG, HNG as fuel for buses and public transport, the following statements are correct. Answer: HCNG as fuel reduces carbon dioxide and hydrocarbon emissions. Hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. Concerning fly ash produced by the power plants using coal as fuel, the following statements are correct. Answer: fly ash can be used in the production of bricks for building construction. Fly ash can be used as a replacement for some of the Portland cement concrete. These are the reasons or factors for exposure to benzene pollution. Answer: automobile exhaust, tobacco smoke, wood burning, using varnished wooden furniture, using products made of polyurethane. Improper handling and storage of cereal grains and oil seeds result in the production of toxins known as aflatoxins, which are not destroyed by the normal cooking process. Aflatoxins are produced by answer: molds. Among bag filter, cyclone collector, cyclone separator, and cyclone divider, the following is not an instrumental device to check air pollution. Answer is cyclone divider. The following statements about radioactive pollution are correct. Answer: it causes a hereditary change in the animals. It hinders blood circulation. It causes carcinogenesis. Recently, Joel Japper was in the news. Answer: it is an eco-friendly technology for the limitation of oily sludge and oil spills. The headquarters of International Maritime Organization is located in. Answer: London. Concerning bio-toilets used by the Indian Railway, the following statements are not correct. Answer: the decomposition of human waste in their toilet is initiated by fungal inoculum. Ammonia and water vapor are the only end products in this decomposition which are released into the atmosphere. The following can be found as pollutant in the drinking water in some parts of India. Answer: arsenic, fluoride, or uranium. Knock-Knee syndrome is caused by the pollution of. Answer: fluoride. The acidification of ocean is increasing. This phenomenon is the cause of concern because. Answer: the growth and survival of calcareous phytoplankton will be adversely affected. The growth and survival of coral reefs will be adversely affected. The survival of some animals that have phytoplankton larvae will be adversely affected. The Euro emission norms are emission standards and these represent a package setting limits for emission from a vehicle. The following gases are covered under this. Answer: oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, all hydrocarbons and suspended particulate matter. To meet Euro emission standard, the sulfur content in the ultra low sulfur diesel should be. Answer: 0.05% or less than this. In the cities of a country, the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index. Answer: carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, or sulfur dioxide. National Clean Air Program has been launched by the central government in the year. Answer: 2019. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in. Answer: in 1981. Carbon monoxide emitted by vehicles which turns to carbon dioxide by the catalyst converter whose ceramic disc is controlled by. Answer: palladium, platinum, or rhodium. Exception A. Soil pollution is more dangerous as compared to industrial pollution. Reason R. Fertilizer and pesticides enter into food cycle. Both here and R are 2 and R is the correct explanation of A. According to the latest CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, this mega city of India generates the largest solid waste per capita annually. Answer: Mumbai. Brominated flame retardants are used in many household products like mattresses and upholstery. There is some concern about their use because. Answer: they are highly resistant to degradation in the environment. They can accumulate in human and animals. The following statements are correct. Answer: agricultural soil release nitrogen oxide into environment. Cattle release ammonia into environment. Poultry industry releases reactive nitrogen compounds into environment. The importance of crop rotation in the farming is. Answer: it increases the production. Soil fertility is conserved. Soil erosion is reduced. There is some concerns regarding the nanoparticles of some chemical elements that are used by the industry in the manufacture of various products because they can accumulate in the environment and contaminate water and soil. They can enter food chains. They can trigger the production of free radicals. अब देखते हैं water resources. The World Water Day is celebrated on. Answer: 22 March. Among fresh water, coal, petroleum, and fish, the following is not a biotic resource. Answer: fresh water. In the following years, the Central Ganga Authority was constituted by Government of India. Answer: 1985. In the Union Budget 2014, the Integrated Ganga Conservation Mission has been called as. Answer: Namami Gange. National Ganga River Basin Authority has been constituted in. Answer: February 2009. In the year 2009, India set up the following to clean the Ganga. Answer: National Ganga River Basin Authority. This environmentalist is known by the name of Jal Purush. Answer: Rajendra Singh. This gas is used for the purification of drinking water. Answer: chlorine. The following leaf modification occur in desert area to inhibit water loss. Answer: hard and waxy leaves, tiny leaves or no leaves, thorns instead of leaves. Other than poaching, the possible reason for the decline in the population of Ganges river dolphins are. Answer: construction of dam and barrages on rivers, getting trapped in fishing net accidentally, use of synthetic fertilizer and other agriculture chemical in crop fields in the vicinity of rivers. If the National Water Mission is properly and completely implemented, it will impact the country by. Answer: part of the water needs of urban needs will be met through recycling of wastewater. The water requirement of coastal cities with inadequate alternative source of water will be met by adopting appropriate technologies that allow the use of ocean waters. These are the possible consequences of heavy sand mining in riverbeds. Answer: pollution of groundwater, lowering the water table. With reference to agricultural soil, the following statements is correct. Answer: irrigation over a period of time can contribute to the salinization of some agricultural lands. The following statements are correct. Answer: CGWA was formed under the Environment Protection Act. India has the largest area under groundwater irrigation in the world. About Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Cess Act, the following statement is correct. Answer: Water Cess Act was enacted in 1977, but it was enforced in 1978. In this year, the Water Pollution Prevention and Control Act was enforced. Answer: 1974. In this year, Central Water Commission established Irrigation Research and Management Organization. Answer: 1994. Among Chennai, Kanpur, Kolkata, and Mumbai, arsenic contamination of drinking water is highest in. Answer: Kolkata. The role of ultraviolet UV radiation in the water purification system is. Answer: it inactivates kills the harmful microorganisms in water. These are used as disinfectant in water. Answer: chlorine dioxide, chloramine. ऊपर वाले में जो भी आंसर था ना माइक्रो इन वाटर फ्रोजोन भी. Green wash refers to. Answer: making false promises of protecting the environment. The Yamuna Action Plan was formally launched in. Answer: 1993. The following are the key features of National Ganga River Basin Authority (NGRBA). Answer: river basin is the unit of planning and management. It spearheads the river conservation efforts at the national level. The scientific name of Ganges river dolphin is. Answer: Platanista gangetica. Some of the wetlands falling within urban areas which are being dealt under the National Lake Conservation Plan with the aim of pollution control are. Answer: Bhoj Madhya Pradesh, Sukhana Chandigarh, Pichola Rajasthan, or Chilika Odisha. The following have shrunk immensely or dried up in the recent past due to human activities. Answer: RLC. Among Pitmal, Pulicat, Ooty and Sambar, the following lakes has been recently included under National Lake Conservation Project. Answer: Pitmal. The following watershed development project sponsored by the Central Government of India which aims at enabling the rural population to conserve the water. Answer: Haryali. Miscellaneous. The following is known as Dakshin Gangotri. Answer: India's first Antarctic research station. The name of India's third research station in Antarctica is. Answer: Bharati. The following is the correct definition of Agenda 21. Answer: it is an action plan for the conservation of the global environment in the 21st century. Agenda 21 is related to. Answer: sustainable development. Momentum for change, climate neutral now is an initiative launched by. Answer: the UNFCCC Secretariat. List 1, list 2 को मैच करना है. Skin cancer, ultraviolet light, noise pollution decibel, global warming carbon dioxide और ओजोन होल क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स. In Uttar Pradesh, the first biotech park was established in Answer Lucknow. List 1 institute, match करना place से. National Institute of Nutrition Hyderabad, Wildlife Institute of India Dehradun, National Institute of Ayurveda Jaipur, National Institute of Naturopathy Pune. The following are India's permanent and operational research station in Antarctica. Answer है Bharati और Maitri. With Jaipur's Jantar Mantar being granted World Heritage Site status by UNESCO, how many sites in India till January 2023 have been granted this status? Answer है 40. This building is also included in the list of World Heritage Site list of UNESCO. Answer है Mahabodhi Temple. Ecomark, safe goods for environment. Center for Ecological Science, Bangalore. Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun. G.B. Pant Institute of Himalayan Environment and Development, Almora. The Kailash Sacred Landscape Conservation and Development Initiative, KSL-CDI, is a collaboration among the three nations. Answer India, China, Nepal. Vegetation is the true index of climate. This statement is associated with. Answer Köppen. Tsunami is the result of. Answer submarine earthquake. The following is not correctly matched. Answer Indian Institute of Forest Management, Kolkata. List 1 institute, match करना सिटी से. Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. Indian Grassland and Fodder, Jhansi. Research Institute, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur. Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi. The Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar is awarded every year for. Answer है significant contribution to the field of environment. The following pair is not matched correctly. Answer है Silent Valley Movement, बाबा आमटे. असलियत में Silent Valley Movement जो था वो सलीम अली के उसमें था. ठीक. एपिको मूवमेंट जो था वो था पी हेगड़े. चिपको मूवमेंट जो था एस एल भगुना और सवाना नर्मदा जो था वो मेधा पाटकर का था. मेधा पाटकर इज रिलेटेड टू. आंसर है नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन. The full form of NGT is. Answer है National Green Tribunal. Rally for Valley program in India was organized to highlight the problems of. Answer है resettlement. The World Habitat is observed on. Answer है every year on the first Monday to October. ये 1996 है. With reference to the role of UN Habitat in the United Nations program working toward better urban future, which of the statement is all correct? तो आंसर है UN Habitat has been mandated by the United Nations General Assembly to promote socially and environmentally sustainable towns and cities to provide adequate shelter for all. UN Habitat contributes to the overall objective of the United Nations system to reduce poverty and promote access to safe drinking water and basic sanitation. ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट सही है. ये वाला स्टेटमेंट भी सही है कि पार्टनर्स either government and non-government or personal or local urban authorities only. The World Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated every year on. Answer है 31st May. In December 2022, New Zealand passed the world's first law to ban smoking for next generation. New Zealand's goal is to be smoke free by. Answer है 2025. 19 November is observed as the. Answer है World Toilet Day. List 1 important days को list 2 डेट से मैच करना है. World Environment Day 5 June. World Forest Day 21st March. World Habitat Day 1st Monday of October. World Ozone Day 16 September. World Earth Day 22 April. World Cities Day 31st October. World Population Day 11 July. World Water Day 22 March. Prime Minister of India launched Swachh Bharat Mission officially on. Answer है Gandhi Jayanti. United Nations highest environmental honor champion of the Earth Award 2018 was conferred on. Answer Narendra Modi. In the following district, the National Dinosaur Fossil Park is located in the district. Answer Dhar, Madhya Pradesh. India's first National Center for Marine Biodiversity (NCMB) is located in. Answer है Jamnagar. Central Arid Zone Research Institute Satri is situated at. Jodhpur. Answer है. Indian Institute of Ecology and Environment is located at. Answer है New Delhi. Agmark Act came into force in India in answer 1937. The term domestic content requirement is sometimes seen in the news with reference to. Answer है developing solar power production in our country. In which of the scientific fields Borlaug Award is given? Answer agriculture. The following is the main component of natural gas. Answer methane. The following is the national aquatic animal of India. Answer Ganges river dolphin. For weather science specifies the following is used to fill balloons. Answer helium. Why is the plant called Prosopis juliflora often mentioned in news? Answer it tends to reduce the biodiversity in the area in which it grows. For the betterment of human life, the following step is important. Answer afforestation. In Landsat data for an area is received today, then the data for an adjacent area to its west will be available. Answer after a certain number of days at the same local time. The following hurricanes affected the northeastern and eastern coastal area of USA in 2012. Answer है Sandy. List 1 स्टेट को मैच करना है लिस्ट 2 नेशनल पार्क से. आंसर है असम काजीरंगा, गुजरात गिर, मध्य प्रदेश कान्हा, उत्तराखंड कॉर्बेट. Tree useful for prevention of dust pollution. Answer है सीता अशोक. Seaweeds are the main and important source of. Answer है iodine. The following is correctly matched. Answer है animal breed. Buffalo Bhadwari, cow Sindhi, goat Jamnapari. Ringelmann scale is used to measure density of. Answer है fog. How many agreements are there in Agenda 21? Answer है 4. With reference to Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons, the following statements are correct. Answer है it monitors the chemical industry to prevent new weapons from emerging. It provides assistance and protection to states parties against chemical weapons threats. The following best describe the aim of Green India mission of the Government of India. Answer है restoring and enhancing forest cover and responding to climate change by a combination of adaptation and mitigation resources. How is the National Green Tribunal different from the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board? Answer है the NGT provides environmental justice and help reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas the CPCB promotes cleanliness of streams and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country. Prestigious Tyler Prize is given in the field of. Answer environment protection. Rajiv Gandhi Environment. Prestigious Tyler Prize is given in the field of. Answer environment protection. Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award is given for outstanding contribution to answer new technology and development. Global 500 awards are given for achievement in answer protection of environment. The Global 500 award is given for rare achievement in answer environment conservation. R2 Code of Practices constitutes a tool available for promoting the adoption of answer environmentally responsible practices in electronics recycling industry. International Decade for Natural Disaster Reduction is answer 1990 to 1999. District Disaster Management Authority (DDMA) is headed by answer district magistrate or district collector. The National Institute of Disaster Management is located in answer New Delhi. The Disaster Management Act was made in answer 2005. National Disaster Management Authority was formed on answer 27 September 2006. Functions of development of disaster management knowledge from demonstration centers region are Answer है creating knowledge cum demonstration centers, creating awareness, providing local need-based information. Section of the Disaster Management Act 2005 empowers government governor of a state to establish a state disaster management authority (SDMA). Answer section 14(1). The following statements are true. Answer: a natural disaster causes maximum damage in developing countries. Bhopal gas tragedy was man-made. Mangroves reduce the impact of cyclones. The following is post-disaster measures. Answer: reconstruction. Among France, Italy, Sierra Leone, and Singapore, the following countries celebrate National Cleanliness Day on last Saturday of every month. Answer is Sierra Leone. Among New Zealand, Australia, Nepal, and Austria, the following has been recognized as a mega diverse country. Answer: Australia. The following is called graveyard of dinosaurs. Answer: Montana. The Ecomark scheme was launched in 1991 to encourage consumer to buy product of less harmful environmental impact. The following consumer product is not notified under this scheme. Answer: drugs and antibiotics. With reference to pre-packaged item in India, it is mandatory for the manufacturer to put the following information on the main label as per Food Safety and Standard Packaging and Labeling Regulation 2011. Answer: list of ingredients including additives, nutrition information, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. This Indian scientist is recognized by UNEP as father of economic ecology. Answer: M.S. Swaminathan. With reference to Bombay National History Society (BNHS), the following statements are correct. Answer: it strives to conserve nature through action-based research, education, public awareness. It organizes and conducts nature trials and camps for the general public. The following is the evergreen fruit plant. Answer: loquat. Weather monitoring device SODAR is established at. Answer: Kaiga and Kalpakkam. Winter line, the natural phenomena is observed in. Answer: Mussoorie. Glaciation of Peninsular India occurred during the following ice age. Answer: Pleistocene ice age. The monoclimax theory was propounded by. Answer: F. Clements. If you walk through the countryside, you are likely to see some birds talking alongside the cattle to see the insect distributed by their movement through grasses. The following is such bird. Answer: Common myna. Among temperate forest, tropical forest, temperate grassland, and tropical savanna, the following has the lowest mean net primary productivity. Answer: temperate grassland. The Marine National Park is located in. Answer: Gulf of Kutch. But Bhatarkanika has recently been included in the list of World Heritage Site. Is situated in. Answer: Odisha. List 1 and list 2 wildlife sanctuary को स्टेट से मैच करना. नामदापा अरुणाचल प्रदेश, बंदीपुर कर्नाटका, पेरियार केरला, लामजाओ मणिपुर. The 5 rhino range nations who signed the declaration, the New Delhi Declaration on Asian Rhino 2019, are India, Nepal, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Bhutan. The following states have the maximum area under the teak forest in India. Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Recently, there was a growing awareness in our country about the importance of Himalayan nettle, Kirandenia diversifolia, because it is found to be a sustainable source of. Answer: textile fiber. World's most problematic aquatic weed is. Answer: Ecornia. The following statement about India's largest chakra are true. Answer: it was inaugurated in Noida. It is made of used plastic waste. How many Indian beaches have been recommended for the Blue Flag certification recently? Answer: 8. The Mitti Bachao Save the Soil movement was started in India in. Answer: Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh. World Ozone Day is celebrated on. Answer: 16 September. World Health Organization (WHO) was established on. Answer: 7 April 1948. In the context of WHO air quality guidelines, the following statements are correct. Answer: the 24-hour mean of PM 2.5 should not exceed 15 UG per meter cube, and annual means of PM 2.5 should not exceed 5. Excessive ozone in the air can trigger asthma. Sambar Lake, Rajasthan, is the largest inland saline wetland of India.